No? Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. Well, if for the first time you watch the channel still, please do subscribe. You know what I mean? Like, share, tell a friend, you know? We take and go the way though. Yeah. So this is a throwback. We don't talk too long. Let's go. It's a throwback, and the reason why we throw back a movie so many times is because you do the movie already, spend so much money, do the movie, you don't make back the money all now. But you still have to go on. So in the meantime, if you don't watch it yet, watch it. And if you watch it already and watch it again, you can watch it again. Feel free. Let's go.
Hiya.
Yeah, morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning.
Third line.
What day I will it But I don't know. That look pussy all in do is just slip the thing that can help. But me forget stuff.
You have no food over here?
No, you know. A sin to feed a lazy woman. Cause I tell you, oh, by the way, what going for your rent?
You know, say 2 minutes work, make you not get it.
Why? You are a tenant to over 5 years now. And I can't count how much time you pay your rent.
Fire, you have to deal with me, so you know. You know, so when time me used to have him, me always carry my rent come you. But few little months now, me not work, you have to deal with me, so. I'm making next door neighbor them I hear.
You pay me when you have work with you, me not lie. But you and your work business is like when people have sex. You're in a job, you're out a job. In a job, you're out a job. You never turn in a one job for too long. So, all throughout the year, you no work 2 months. Because you're in a car, you know. What the last work now?
Let me tell you something. You feel someone that really in a one job, they get good pay. And just walk and fight just so. The boss then can't keep them private in them pants. They have their woman in the yard and then still want them with the workers them and me can't go with that. Me not there with no boss.
Me know what you say still, cause me know them stay. But so what? If them take it out, you put it in back in it and keep it walk. They can touch you and put it in you, then take you put it back in the pants then take your out of the pants and put it back in. You know what I mean? You know if you do alright now. You know say you can reach. You there and you know say you can reach. You can reach. When they take you out your video and put it on TikTok. You don't know so much about it. But put it on it go viral, you get your money. The things that we don't know how the technology go, but the things say you go viral. If then you no problem, you can use your head, man.
Fine, I know me I go through, you know. You don't know say last place when I go work. I want Chinese boy me I work with. And him come tell me boy he want to squeeze up my breast with bun and cheese through Easter soon come. And I think with April 8 and he start with bun and cheese argument to me. Me tired for name bun and cheese and me not make no man come use it for bun and cheese neither. Me not so cheap and me not come down so low. I prefer walk off a job. You understand? Every time I pass, I touch off of me. I mean, I like them sitting there like he wants to salt me. I can't take them foolishness there.
Me now watch you, I mean now listen to you. But I told you that me no want no man in my yard. Cause me and man no plant peas align. Me suspect some man a come here time to time. Me a smell man over your yard. Me just a smell cause even one night you know. One night me come out on the veranda here. I'm here. Reggae. Oh, because I clear my throat, everything silent. So, you can't tell me, say, you're not a man come here, you know. But I tell you, any day I catch you with the man, yeah, you and him have to go.
You know, say you're the nice to you. But I don't know what I did that do. I one of my friends when they ask about one work, they come tell me about it. So when they ask him how much time pay and what kind of work me I go do. Maybe when him push the door and tell him to come in. I don't know what kind of sound you could have ever hear. I don't care no man come and fire. I don't have no man.
Alright, well, me the kind of tired, so I never tarry to hear the whole story, you know. But I feel say, if I'm my yard and I'm here in the yard, you notice I'm alone there? I'm me alone there. So me celebrate. So if me celebrate, you must celebrate too. And argument done. But apart from that, I don't know food to give. But here was last night, I call somebody we have a look at work. So I will give the address and you go down there, go see if you fit the requirement. You can read that right?
Yes.
Alright, just go down there and tell them send you. I go give the address. Must write it down here before, but I go and go write up the address and give you. You go up on the road and go find the work, then pay good money. So go down there, go get the work, so you can start paying my rent because you can't stay here. Actually, a woman now. You know actually a woman do you get where? Actually a woman. I something with make it turn.
Fire. When I can tell me say I have no food and I'm hungry. If I did have food, I would not ask for it, you know. I'm out there so I smell food like you're cooking in your kitchen. You can't just give me little like food.
You never know. Look like me have got to start make some new rule here, you know. You see anything you smell here, lock your nose. The food in there enough. It's a little bit of food. You understand? And the food have to me, myself and I. So when me eat some now, the next part of me eat some later. And then in the night, you know, so that's what I do. 3 meals a day.
You're too mean. Because anything you ask me to do for you, I do it for you.
Ewa, don't talking. Come go on over here, I don't know. Me not like so much people from my veranda. See puss, I go and enjoy himself.
Everything good, man. I don't like how you deal with me, you know. I hope you don't come back and knock me door at night time. You say you go and chase the people. I try to insult me, everything good. Make sure you don't come knock me door at night time about why you have a feel. You're too mean. Sorry, puss. So you alone get way.
Dolly.
Dolly.
No, sir.
Dolly.
Girl, alright, you sit down just a morning with mirror in your hand. What you do? Look here, not even the rabbit them you don't know say if you go feed?
Me go feed them.
When you go feed them? Get up and go feed the rabbit them. So where you wait pan?
Me go do it.
Stop your blasted coming and go and go feed the rabbit them. How will you take this thing for? Let me see how long you go wait to go feed the rabbit them.
Dolly this, Dolly that. Tired like a dog. And last night me a party.
Daddy, good morning.
Morning.
You know, say money me come from go to school and I mean I no money, you know.
Alright, apart from that, your mother called me more than 3 hours ago. Where you did there a while ago?
A taxi me did a wait pan. If carry me coming down here, because you know see how far and the sun hard. I walk part the journey already and take taxi for the rest.
Alright.
Right now me all thirsty and me hungry.
Alright, what me I say to you now? Your mother should have known say me now no money coming now work.
But you have tenant at your place so they rent out, you say you must have money.
Tenant there, yes, but one tenant. But she now need that. Candy!
Oi!
Look at it.
Now come.
Yeah, work.
Me tell you already something now work. How?
And she me I try prove it too. Cause she got lie me I tell she me have tenant. Candy now work. And she am only tenant me have. So I just the money come from. Me have the big house, yes. And me now work. So it's a court business. If she come in a court, you now get no money. My daughter, me go try find a way if you get some money and enjoy yourself. But even now, you see you're hungry and thirsty, you don't come for already. See your money, go back shop, go buy yourself a drinks and a biscuit and eat. Because it's on hard for you. Go on.
I did too lie, say your money and a friend. And Monday at school. And me here no come.
Look at him more black. I'm why not? That's what I'm more fan now. Go and go buy this and come back. Go and go buy this and when I come back, me see what money I can give. Go and go buy the drinks and stuff.
Kira!
Oi,
Bye, Pri. Wagwan girl.
me a forward.
Forward, brother. I'm not know you won't sell you.
Wagwan.
I'm free now. You good?
Yeah.
We are the
Sun
with Nadine.
hot, man.
Oh, the worst. So you are the with that one in here.
You know, some day and I was fixing something for me auntie phone.
You know, so I have something to tell you though? Because I can't turn right to see you. I just stress out.
What no?
You know, so my stepfather, they try to molest me every minute.
What?
Yeah.
So you not tell nobody?
Of course. Me tell my mother. 100 times I tell the woman. She don't believe me.
Oh, she for you mean she
Me
don't
don't know he
believe
must
you.
love him man over me. She don't believe. And I know when somebody don't believe somebody.
How can I foolish? So what you got about that?
Right now, I just want to live right test you, brother. I can't go and stay over your yard with you. No one the right test you.
I'm not sure about that, you know. I have to go ask my mother.
Please, just ask some other try to convince her.
You know my mother stay already. We can't convince her.
Please, bigger, even on the floor, because he reached one point where man, me see man over me this morning, you know. They try to come on top of me, you know. Pick your mother, please, Kira.
I'm going to try to talk to her, but nobody worry about that. Come over link Daddy and we'll try to figure something out.
Alright,
Go and go buy the drinks and come back. Candy, me know say you did analysis in the story, you know. Look for that little girl. Look for her hair. You say you're pretty. Look for my hair, nigga hair and her mother, nigga hair. That means you think I might put that?
Fire, you will just insult me. Eh?
Me ask a question. Listen, I can put you out, you know. Remember, I can put you out. Answer me nice. Answer
Fire,
me
if you want
nice.
to put me out today, put me out, but me will tell you the truth. Fire, make you call me out and so insult me in front of your daughter. Fin go back tell your mama, oh,
No.
the tenant where you have down here, not have no money and she not work.
But you have
Where
money.
try prove?
You have money.
Me not no money, but then if you tell you little
They
thing that
say
can call me
only
in front
the
of her.
truth shall set you free. So what? You say no money. So where you going like you give? You know no money.
The truth shall set you free?
Yes.
Then you know say for your pick me where you come comparing here with for your ear and ask me about this and that about pick me about. Oh, look how ear pretty.
Me ask you a question. Because me have nigga here and her mother a nigga. So she have cool here. So me ask you a question if I should do a DNA app. And you are telling me, of course me have to you for parent. You know if it no get better with me and fresh with me now. Because first thing first, you know pay for December, January, February, and now we are passing to March. And me still not put you out. I don't give you an eviction yet, you know.
Fire the pit not have to have for your dry head. You can have for your mother here or somebody in your family. If the mama head even dry, that no make no sense what you are talking now. Go and go do DNA. You have money if you go do DNA, but you have no money if you give your pitney figure at school. And me want come start with me. Rank somebody that start pan this morning.
No, look like you ask for me. I chase you want chase me. What you tell me about? Alright, you know. If the pitney have nigga ear, I'm more likely my pitney. Cause his mother My mother not have coolie here neither. So we are telling them, give me some people in the family have coolie here, yes. So I must have feed them picnic. Talking about that, so woman love family business, you know. He loving a friend and company with family and so, you know. So mine, yeah, put things in my mind, you know. It can be somebody's not a family picnic for true, but you know, I feel my picnic. So, but me see I kick up
Where
and I
you trying
kick
to
up.
fire?
So me I say no. I cut you come for cuss me now.
What you trying to say?
Hello.
You act like a me your breed and a female and your picnic. Look here, the man when me used to have, him a coolie. So who to tell if I know him go breed for your baby mother? And a matter of fact, stop calling me in your story. Me no business with you. Where you come call me for? And you know what? Let me tell you something. Me soon left out of your place because me tired of your insult. Come back and knock on my door again. Every night you do it, I'm going to run you and dash dirty water in your face.
I might charge you. Slam me and pop it off. But see me dying try there. Me a help you. You know what? Alright. Not another backside mountain here. Not another backside mount for free. Because look how me call and I talk to you so neatly and nicely. Look how me talk to you so calm. Not to neighbor couldn't hear me name and you kick up on me. You kick up on me? Neighbor not hear me and talk to you and you everybody hear your mouth. Not another month.
Daddy, I want you.
No man, I'm a lieutenant man. But Lord of Jesus. One man get a while ago. Oh, you buy so much biscuit. Me no want no biscuit. Ah, you know where you go do? You go, what tell me I eat now?
I order them me I eat.
What tell me I eat now?
I order them.
You know what? I go teach you something. You go eat this now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Daddy, them alone can't hold big girl like me.
Come here, man. You, my father, you know. If you don't follow me, say, it work. Your mom that day, she don't follow me, say, too. Yeah, you that day, too. Listen now. She go buy 4 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of cornmeal, and 16 mackerel.
So I'm before I go to school.
Yo, you mess it here now. You have to understand, you know. Me and your mother get you. So that means a 50% each. Half of me, half of her. So you see, me and feed you, she responds for your transportation to school.
And she do the whole 100 and me and 2 minutes ready to take money and go give.
Come go on here, yard. Come. You look like fresh. I try to take a broomstick and get 2 tight. You look like fresh. When I look up it, I could never talk to my papa and kick me down. Go on here, yard. Outside, pitting them and all, ja.
Dali.
Yes, mommy.
Me go to shop. And Dali, me not like when me have to talk to you about one thing over and over. You know what you're supposed to do, right? You have your chores and what you have to do. And every morning me have to remind you to do it. Me not like that. And when me talk to you, after you want good, me I talk to you, you know. You're not going to realize it now, but later on, you will realize it for your own good. I truly love you. Me want the best for you, right? That's why sometimes, alright, you see how early me make you go to your bed at night time?
Yes, mommy.
Because me really want you to get some rest, that you can come and help me. Do your little work them where you have in the yard. And then if you feel to go back and go lay down, you can't go. But if you not do your work, how you go get to go lay down? I truly love you.
Me love you too, mommy. Alright, go on and come. You wait for you here.
Alright, me soon come back.
Yeah. Go bed early. Go bed early.
Be water. Dirty water. Dali! Dali, oi!
Where's she there?
Dali, oi!
Yeah, me girl them. Boom bat.
Dali!
So, you know.
Walk on, baby!
Last night was that thing.
Bro, me I tell you. Bro, such man did ask for you, know.
You know from last night.
What? Tell him no.
Then the way she go on pan him in the must ask for her.
The way who are going on him. When that the one that he back you up in the corner, I see you miss a couple minutes. Good old type party where you did there.
Damn you! Over there. Son Ati.
Sassy, you did junk.
Bro, talk about it.
You know, so she missed out type party last night.
Me don't see her. One man locked down she, no.
Me know you miss her.
I want Mark X man me go with.
Ray! I lie.
I'm Mark X man.
I know the
Two
black
extra
shot
ones.
youth.
No, I want brown one.
Bombardos. So give you a piece of money now you must have cheese.
Cut off my money argument, man. Me not get no money. Him same have something when I go deal with and then he give me some money after.
You don't get no money.
Oh, no, stop going to no?
Where mean stop going to girl? Where money there? And a market man.
Stop talk about that.
It can't relevant.
Ashley, come show me dance you do last night. Come in and know how to do that.
Bro, me teach.
Go on. Hey, you go too fast.
You have to learn. What you mean me I go fast? Yeah, only man.
So?
Bro, put your back in it. You never watch TikTok. Sure.
Ready? Sure. Yeah.
When you back me up, so.
Yeah.
I'm
back it up, so. I'm good on me wine. No much money me can't work. Hey, bro, sit up on the board. Hey, let me tell you something. Let me talk, man. Me a talk, brother. Let me talk now. Me a talk right now. We so got to know. I'm going on with myself.
Dolly,
Mommy.
so, come here. Come here.
Mommy.
So, Dolly, which part you did the last night I broke out, so? Answer me, what you did the last night, we see when you go to your bed. So, which part you did when I broke out, so?
Then a Nikki birthday party, mommy.
You did ask me if you could have got on a party.
Yeah, dad said no.
Okay. So, why me would I say no?
I would tell me, say me have to get up in the morning and feed the animal. And today is Sunday and a church morning. Mommy, you know your style already.
So you rather no say you go a party and go boogie down like oh me see you are wind up yourself. Suppose when me did in my bed and me here say what accident happened down the road. Me no under go look fi say are you down there you know come with say you there in your bed come me see when you go to your bed.
Girls just want to have fun, you know.
I choose Michelle's. Girls just wanna have fun.
Who no parents can allow uno to go out and go have fun. Can look like uno no under no control. You understand? But you, suppose something did happen to you.
Mommy, me know you pray for me.
Look, uno go on no yard. Uno go on no yard. I wear a piece of switch there. Let me tell you something. You see when night come, and your bed you figure to. Look here.
Me tired of you too. Me tired.
Look here, girl. Look here, girl. Look here.
Mommy, look out for me, man.
Because you're 18 years old, what you think, sir? Where you take this thing for? Two women are ruling here, sir. It's either you do what me say, or you find your man you have, or if a man you have, you find your way.
Me
but you
left.
Well, go on. Me not stop you. Go on, but don't come back.
Me not come back.
Make sure so you don't come back.
Yo. Oh God, me tired of See Dahlia come there.
Oh, my daddy, mother, stay some man.
That me I say. See Dahlia.
Daddy, come your mother stay so.
Me tired.
Me a left. Tired of this man. Me a left. Me and mother just cuss me. Done.
So where I go?
Kira, me not can come stay up your yard.
You know, say, I should just ask me same thing because her stepfather up her yard and molest her.
You chat too much. We still are there for. Me can't nothing for advertise.
After I know nothing that, you all away your friend and you could have tell me.
Yeah, but me didn't tell her why she never allow me to tell her why she said first.
Nobody should have go through that. You better believe your stepfather over you?
Yes, girl, hundreds of times. Right now, me want left my yard to so me second up on that the trip there. Me well ready. Yo, Linky Markix nigga no. You know see all with the stress out right now. I know you feel Linky.
Because me have one little shillings and put aside and the whole I make a money because we are going to party and enough night me singing out we got a party. So
yeah,
we put
man.
Together.
Yeah, so we can go in somewhere.
When I call him?
Come on, now go make a call. I left my phone on my yard.
I'll go back for me clothes them. Lord God, me dead like a dog. I'm going to link Jeremy and then make you know say me a cut. So I'm going to stop up my yard and link him and them. Me come, but you don't go left me now, your family so.
Alright.
So I'm going to call him. Don't go left me.
With your pastor go and wait for you. Hurry up.
Yeah, man. Alright. Oh, that's one to wait for me.
You do homework? You do homework?
Jeremy!
Yep. Yeah.
Come here. Why cause the people live here?
Hi, honey.
What?
We do it.
You know, so me have something to tell you.
Yeah? What's up?
Me and mommy just done cuss. Big cuss, quarrel, everything.
So your mommy a cuss for now?
You know, say she over here me I talk to my friend them say we go a party. And how me I go on bad and wicked last night because she think me that sleep and make up the bed and everything and left the bed. And then she go hear me I talk how me I go on bad in a party for her and say,
You think I go on bad with you, you know?
type of foolishness, man. But she said me to come out. So me I go look somewhere go so me I cut.
No, boy, you can't come stay with me.
And I want those people live there where me I go sleep.
Babes, me and you can't sleep on the bed.
No, and I hear brother them sleep on them piece bed.
Babes, relax now. You know how long me been waiting for this? Me understand, say, me there so still, but you know so nice, you know so 100, but we can't make it work. Where you never go by the way?
Me no know me tell you. We go down the grill go look somewhere so.
Babes, listen to me. Don't go down there so with them, because that's a foolishness. What them a care go down nigga go do? Next thing you hear, you walk and man, business after you. You mad somebody? You know if you kill up yourself and stress out yourself.
B, nothing go on here so. Me can't stay here so with you and live with you and 1,000 people.
So that means saying no believe in me then, because listen, babes, listen to me now. Just stop the foolishness, man. Where I go with them? Say, Mama, she so come. Come on, mama.
Me say me nah go. Me mother rule me, you want rule me, I see them thing go on. Me say me a left.
Me not try for rule. Just stop the foolishness, man.
You can't take it.
Come here, man. Where I go?
Let go of me now, brother. Let go of me now. Let go of me now. Make me kill him. Yes, Ashley. Bless. Nobody kill him. Make him stay now. Come on. No kill him. Nobody kill him. Come on. Bright. But me not fi go nowhere we don't know. Me not fi go nowhere. Bright.
Jaja. Girl, I want to go and make the boy Jeremy not come fight here and put me on fire.
One piece of sitting, tell the boy say me a go. And I like me tell the boy say me a left for me a break up with him and I know he can't come. Me not go nowhere we don't know. Because this and that. I know me stressed out.
Me see it for you, no
I'm glad to see you have me back here so you're good on the boy. I want me see you start feed the boy. I should nearly kill him.
Me not like there's something there in bright, come put in for my friend.
Alright, but when we did your party, I got on with the things in it. I have no problem with that. She not call your man?
I know that me have to go do because we don't have no more option.
Call him, I can give you a thing to back up because we have to look somewhere about.
Yeah, tell her. Hello? Voicemail, be a voicemail, brother. Me have to go check in my yard. I go look for him over there. I'm calling cousin. Yeah, ring. Hello? Hello? Ted? You know see Jutta? Because I call him phone and I not get him. Down your road? Oh, me there near the desk, so. Me I go walk down there. Alright, thanks, yeah? Yeah. I'm saying they down your road.
Come.
You didn't notice how the man they want move?
I'll stress out yourself because you know me forgot.
Me? Stress way. Mother of a boy? Never.
I poor about that. I think about when me I go on the road when I bust off right there and get a job because I love party.
And me? We go at. I remember saying me an artist and me I go, you see me? Oh yes. We are going to make it, girl. I don't know why.
Wait there. You know long more and pee me I go over this, so some come.
Alright. Hurry up, you know. What Kira do? Girl! What you do? Number one and number two. Hurry up, brother. You just have your test waiting in the burning sun so long, bro.
Sure, tell me how people from the coming up.
Are you named Pee Lily? Yeah, that's me. Nancy, go watch your hand. We know a side cream, but and there's
Cause me down. I'm have to take off for what are these?
Nancy. Stop. You could have watched that over there, you know? Oh, pipe over there. Work, please. Oh, me look, me I doing this, so me look good.
You look nice, man. But your belly bad.
Jaja. You have to say that?
See a man carry the skin out your teeth. See carry there.
I can't manage to that.
Clothes are fixed. Everything
You're
are
good
fixed.
on this stuff that girl right
You
now.
come and see a mad girl. You know see a mad girl. Come, Ashley. Ashley.
Yo, mama.
Let
yo,
me alone.
Yo, yo,
Don't tell me no. Don't tell me. Me don't want ear. Me don't want ear.
Easy now, I want to
Who
carry
is
the
that?
excitement right us.
What you mean?
Remember say I know
A excitement, this
Remember say I know me real woman like that, you know.
Some of the business. Me not true me a side woman, no other side girl for there, cause that ain't your wife.
Easy now, man. Watch her now, watch her now, watch her now, watch her now.
Don't tell me nothing. Hey girl, come out! Come out!
My girl.
Come now!
Bill, man, just
Come out of this, sir. Come out of this,
My girl,
girl.
Bill, you hear me I tell her? Just Bill, follow Ashley, be here. Bill, you hear me say? Lock the door.
Just bail yo.
You know see you diss me? You diss me big time, you just style me. I can't believe this. I want some money and nigga me I go right now.
Think you that just hold her down and do see about 14.
Give me this, my business up. I'm going to come back for some more money.
But you girl.
And you see that girl there?
You.
You better tell her say me I want a married girl, you know. Nobody tell me nothing because me turn over that carrier.
Yo, my girl. Easy foolishness and stop the foolishness. You hear me I say? Stop the foolishness and you should talk to your friend, you know. My girl, I'm not even woman in that car.
Don't
I'm a
talk to my
sister.
friend them.
Sister, fix up clothes.
And I pick up clothes.
Yo, you see it? You should not talk to your friend and I come like a mischief on me.
Don't talk to my friend them. Because you see you 1124 JJ, Juta just get bang. Remember that.
Aren't you dirty, so? Right. What a man out of that?
That me I say. I get a lucky something hold him.
And that me I say, I don't know him, man. And he knew what to, you know. But you know, so we have to have your back. But you're slack. Stop going like you
can't believe what just go on.
Say, well, I know.
I know about that.
People, man. Oh.
I can't believe. How am I do? I tap him much out of power.
In God, man. Actually, come now.
Me a watch.
Watch, man, watch.
I tap then the top door. Me know say girl I go come out, man. Them a tap. Wait. Me not tell her them a tap. Come on.
Let her out.
Wait, see me let out the girl.
See him come out there, watch her.
Come on, time, man. I know make the girl see we, you know. We don't see her. We don't see her, girl. We don't see her.
Yo,
We don't see her. We don't see her.
Cut out that man. Cut out.
Yes, man.
Don't be upset.
Tell us how we are going to
Yourself, man. Relax yourself.
Tell us how we when we reach over there, say you're talking.
Relax yourself.
When we reach over there, say you're talking.
Go you have a bella girl boy each up in her front seat.
And skin out
Wait till
your
me buck
teeth.
you.
You're lucky. Remember me tell you that.
Me say a check.
Put on your
All that boy
Right.
still don't feel good, brother. You are mash it together, wicked.
Let me phone them and come, boyfriend. I'm going to go come. What this? Hello? B. Ma, you have to come pick me up tonight and bring me to the grill. When you come, we talk to you. Me, Daddy, and Ashley. Yeah. Alright.
You have to hurry up because I'm stressed out. You said good.
Oh boy.
I'll get cut.
Babes. Everybody in the car.
Yeah, and the bag them and everything. Come on, now we're ready.
Alright, come here, you want someone to talk to you.
Me a forward.
Right now, my wife in the house and I don't want to tire, you know. A good distance I have to travel right now.
Alright,
so I'll drop you off and...
Yeah, man, me ready. Hope she not up there see me now. Come on, go in, come on.
Hold on. Babes. I hope you not go down there, you know. No, but I'll go give it my thing, you know.
Me not do that.
Right now, I have to stay back right now. I want to see you. Right, I want to see every day, but you know, my wife. I have to do things and you know, it works same way.
Yeah, man.
But I want to see her often, you know, looking at my face.
Babes, what you worry about? You know the situation already. And come on before I get late. You have to go back to your wife.
So I like it up and rush though.
Now your wife see me. We have to go find someone to go rent, you know, because the people they say at 12 o'clock at check-out time.
You know, say true, but I 1, 2, 3 that we go look somewhere and make we pray, but your man a good man, you know, girl.
That me say true.
If you make with Tanya, feel nice. Why?
Big up a nice clean self.
Big up yourself, your thing I work good.
I call Kenrick now, making drop in a town.
Why this don't make no sense? We have to go just split up. And we have to walk till we tired, till they drive till we tired. So here what? Me have to go up a beach road, go save me can walk and go and look. Where you go? You can't go up and down pray.
Me go Western. That's where me I go.
I go Western. You can do that then. Me have to phone number maybe. You have to call. Call.
Alright.
Alright. Sir.
Yeah?
You know about now we are rent coming up on the road for a day and no way.
You know, say one room that some of the line there can't get the face still in it.
Who will want somewhere for rent, man? See?
Yo, what you do? Give me your number, man. I mean get the room here.
876 453 3015.
So what's your name?
Dolly.
Dolly. You have a beautiful name, Dolly. Alright, so if I anything we call you, yeah?
Me I go keep on walk and look still cause me have to just go and look.
Alright, do your thing.
Alright.
Alright.
Good afternoon, sir. Excuse me. You don't know if now we're around here, we are rent.
You know, say I just about a couple of weeks now, I'm here, I'm not ready to know a place 100, you understand me?
Yeah, man, thanks.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Alright.
River did nice today, you know.
Yeah, man, River did nice, man. When we can go back again?
You know, so I don't know, though. But boy, I wonder if we can go tomorrow, but I don't really that still. I wonder if mommy did call daddy, and tell him say me did fi down there today, cause we turn long still, and then my clothes will take long to dry too.
She never dare listen to me. Look how me swimming in my underwear. I made her tell us if you swim in your underwear, but you never listen, cause them they take long to try. See your father there coming now?
How we do for little girl?
Daddy, so I'm tired though if you ever know for me I walk from. Every taxi me take it a broke down, and where of me if you walk come from. Every minute me go in a one car, it broke down.
Oh. One thing we don't know nowadays, you know, fees or no summer. A while ago, me I come off of my phone. Me see you and one man turn up here, so.
Me know
where the man in the blue? Are you alone there, so?
Yes, I'm me alone did turn up here, so daddy. Me know my name turn up here, so. Unless somebody here say they pass, I think say me and him turn up here, so. But I'm me alone turn up here, so because me tired, so. Me just did turn up a little bit, then me say me I come sit down.
You're tired? And right down there to me live. You know, take your time, crawl, come down there so. Come sit down on the veranda. Up and cheat on, sit down.
Daddy, but me tired of the way they respect me for do. We are serve me and where I come from, no water, nothing. And nobody, we are them heartless.
Where the youth in the blue shirt?
Which youth in which blue shirt? Daddy, me I know youth they turn up here, so me alone they turn up.
I try from 4 down, so me here not so good some of the time, but I know say me see blue shirt.
Daddy, I fool you. You know, see me and nobody in no blue shirt turn up here, so unless somebody get see the pass by and you think say, I'm me and him turn up here, so. But I'm me alone, and when I tell you so, I come walk here, so I say, no, I come sit down, so I just sit down right here, so. I say, me a rest off, little, you know, for me I come from.
Me know say me I not fool me. I'm going to tell you since you can't fool me. I can't wait till 3 more years for now you're there on you. I'm taking them full of nice on the road there. What me say differently do? I can't wait till your time reach you can done school, so I have give you $1 more because I feel that. Because your mother bright enough
Daddy, I'm going like say they give me no heap of money. Then they give me no money.
Slap in your face, that's it, yeah.
Daddy, I'm going like they give me no money for go to school. Then they give me no money. I feel $500 two little biscuit can hold me.
You're bright and face, you know. You know you talked to me a while ago and you have a type of grin up your teeth. Alright, who last laugh best? You know what? Don't come out of my yard. When you're done, you walk go back a sub. Walk go back a sub. If you think you're bad, come down on my yard this evening.
Daddy, me a come, daddy.
I go text and come down there. Don't, you're a private property, you know. If you think you're bad, trespass down there. Because you just this me a while ago, you know. I said things when put out your mother, you know. Face you run him out too much. You see, your mother have set size of mouth and chat too much. But I'm showing me you people chat too much. Don't come to my yard. Take yourself, walk back up your mother. Call your mother, tell her to pick you back. And when, if I know start out, my mother start out things are court. So when you have manners, you deal with me. Because
Daddy, me can't walk back yourself.
Let me tell you something. You see, system, I put a kunino, so I'm not flicking, you know. So if you don't want no problem with the law, me I do the best thing. Don't come on my yard. It's my private property. Anything me do you over the cross the line, so nobody can say nothing to me because you know I tell you not to cross the border. Because you don't have no manners. Look a girl, go call her mother. Me call her mother.
Yo, tomorrow, you know?
Yeah, man.
Fire.
Go on.
Me I go in town go get something.
No man, go on with you.
And come back so. But I like you figure your eye because my door no lock.
Hello.
The lock spoil. And I tell you for a long time I know you can't change the lock.
You know, I'm not security for your place. I can move at any time. Post one girl call me now. But I'm going to fix something for them. And Mr. Fix it, you know. So, I don't want you give me responsibility for watch your house. I don't have time for that. So, anyway, up on the way I do. Because truly, see, I feel like more cool out this year, we can have a party later. We got shell long something. So I get myself active and get ready. So go and go there, I'm not left you now.
Everything good, man. I'll buy one padlock.
Maybe find yourself on the command, man.
That me I go do.
Hello.
Oh, go on.
You know where around here rent?
No, so you know, so I don't know where around here and do.
I want good area by the way.
Yeah, man, around here, so peace and love around here, so man, around here, a nice place. Hello, Miss Candy. May I a minute there, please? They're long here, dear. I ask if you know anywhere I rent.
What's your name?
Kira.
Oh. I know my name Fire. Same place where I live. He have space over in yard. So I can carry it to him and him we talk about it.
Thanks here.
Yeah, man, no problem.
So I'm going to talk to him. I'm not over there. Fire.
Steven.
One hour.
That girl that me carry to you. She me know say you have empty room in there. She see me on the road and they ask if me don't know nobody will have no room. And me tell her say my landlord have space over female, so me carry her come make a talk to her.
Alright. So let's say, are you have money?
Yes.
Alright, we can't talk then. Come on, we not do business up on the roadside. Come in our yard.
Alright, later me I go back out on the road here.
Alright. So you're new to down here?
Yeah, first we are coming down here.
When you say week, I don't understand.
Me have some other friend, them go and look places at different places.
Watch your step. Sit down, that's so.
You may come link, you know. What do you mean, shh? I understand this.
I say, I want to talk to you about something.
You want to talk
about the dirty landlord boy where they down there.
Yeah, come in and understand. Yo, me need to start stay down there now and we can, you know what I mean, build back and wake up because sometimes me can't by the early morning rise and me a run out. You know what I mean? Me you catch cold in the morning.
You know, say last night in here we. You never hear him cleaning throat, that's why I tell us if it take time. You don't want no man in here, I tell you already. Next time when you come, don't wear no man cologne, wear the woman cologne them. Because he know how man cologne smell. And it make him a nag me so. You know what I'm going to tell you something? He might look in at them. And it make him no want no man come in yard.
He might look you. Because I don't understand how him so into you and all these people where you talk about. I'm not business about them, you know. You business about. Because you have a good. I'm sure about that. You understand me? But hear me I say, we have to go work out a thing because I need to can stay down there.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, he not look me in words, but he might look me in action. You see, at night time when I'm there, every minute he come knock me door. Candy, they call me. Tell me what I want make him knock me door. No must look him and look me in action and not words. Me not understand him. That's why yesterday he make me stay there so long. Because he tell me about one day about me just want to work out sitting here now. Me I got a niggle right now.
No.
Yes, no, because I have something to start out. But just in case I come tonight, I'm at half come tonight.
Alright.
And if you buck him up and he say nothing to you, tell him straight and plain say, me and you are cousin.
Alright. You know what I go do? I go home now, go bathe, change my clothes and get ready because I don't want late. So make sure so when you reach there, you know. And me say.
You know, so we never finished door last night.
I know that.
Because him and the cleaning throat, you can know saying out there listen. So tonight we have something to start out. Follow me go out there so because I go take taxi and come on.
Why you say coming on?
Me and my two friends them.
Alright, that sounds good, man. So, alright, you want me to talk to you or you wait till them come?
You can talk to me man and when them come, me tell them information.
Alright. So, we have 2 bedrooms inside. You know what I mean? And we have a lovely hall, we have kitchen, we have bathroom, flush toilet, running water, washing machine, all of the things, currently everything there. So, how you rent go now? You have to pay each of the room them is like 15,000 per month. Furnished room there. But that room look good, make them go in the price. I can't make the price. You know what I mean? So 15, 15 and 15, that's a 45. So it'll be 45 each year. No? We can bounce off the 5 if I put one side and give it 40 each year. No? We run off the case. You understand? Oh, that sound?
That sound good, man.
Yeah.
We manage that.
That's 40,000 a month, you know. But you know about rent, you know, rent to a place, you have to pay in advance. So we want 5 months deposit. No, not 5, but give me 3 months deposit. Then. You can't wait a while ago like my friend here. Give me 3 months deposit.
Sir, it's 3 weeks, young. We don't have that much money to go pay 3 months deposit. A 1 month deposit, I always hear about. We can't go manage to pay that.
Alright, I love to when young girl try. Sorry, I say girl. Young ladies trying. So I now be the one going knocking me down on the first rent. Alright then. Where them there?
One of them gone to one place named West End.
West End, you know that place?
Gone look house, and one of them gone to some nigger beach somewhere. Gone look house for rent.
Them now get no place to rent because on the beach or West End is very expensive. I'm one of the best charts you know right now compared to the price there because the price I may tell you a monkey money price because cost of living higher. So call them and make them know for you there from early because I want to do me because I tell them I'm a bashment night tonight, you know. So I know not do from early. So call them and come and you can get the business on the road, alright?
Alright, I'll step out and call them.
I'm in my room, man. I'm in my room.
Hello?
Ashe?
Yeah.
Me find one place out on something on the Pearl Road.
Eh?
Yeah. Take one taxi and tell them to let you have right on Pearl at the cash spot shop. And call Dolly.
Alright, come there close by this. Alright, I'm going to do that now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Kira, wait, can you walk in and know where you go?
Tired enough?
Kira. Oi.
Me out at a cash pot shop. And where you send me to come?
Come round in lane and come round. Me there out in front of your corner.
Come in the lane and then me turn one. But turn on, but they come straight.
Turn left.
Turn left? Alright,
come
we
down.
Yeah. Left.
Come. I wanna look so.
Hey,
baby. As she happy. Come. I have to play say.
Jesus. You see you.
Nice.
Yeah.
You done. One gone now.
Away Monday. I'm tired and want to go sleep right now.
I feel what I mean. I'm tired like a dog, man.
Oh, call him.
You need to so come.
Where Key ready?
She gonna be here.
Oh.
Alright, I see. I'm there already. Now watch me topless. Come here, go one party tonight. It's a topless Tuesday. And that girl, let me go roll out. And to serious matter, please stop look at my chest, right? Just listen. Alright, when next one there?
She a beard.
Alright, so you can't deliver the message. You know what I mean? You want know, we have some rules. We have the rule paper for me now. By the time I go to a place and print it up. By the time I go on the receipt, because we don't have the full money. Because normally I take 3 months in advance. You know what I mean? But because we don't look nice and so not trying girls, I ensure say we go and blind. So, no short for my rent.
Yeah.
Right?
No, sir.
Don't eat up my food. Right? If you want anything in here, ask me. And what I think we mainly want to understand is no man here.
Huh? What do you mean by no man here?
And then me I say, we have to have a little man over here. We have a little husband. And Kira being my ex-man.
Tell you something. This is not a motel. This is not a ramping shop. Only one ramping shop there and see it in your so. Only place you can ramp in Dosso. So no man over Dosso. Only live over anyone ramp Greenfield Hotel. Sit there. The whole like the black phone. Candy shot there. Candy there for 3 here. And Candy know say I don't want no man here. So if you don't want it, you can go on. You don't want it, you room them.
Yeah, man, you want the room, you have to take it.
No, man, you can't work, man. Yes. Alright.
You miss a thing. You want to tell you rules, them.
The rule them simple, man. First thing, don't name my food you see in the place yet. Unless you not ask for feet. Next thing at all, me no want no man here. Apart from that, we know some have a 3 string and 4 string. Don't hang no jars in the bathroom. Because we have a tenant who have to evict her quickly because everything she wears, she does all over the place. Me now walk and clean up here now, uno fi clean. I will not clean the room, uno do straight through, clean my room too. And if you know laundry, and I wash clothes, wash my clothes them too.
No, sir, this extra, no, sir.
No, because you not get extra blight.
What you mean extra blight?
Extra blight because you not pay me full money, you not have a 3-month deposit, you not have only 1 month. A 1 month you not have.
I lie, that no sound bad, that no good.
So since you have 1 month, me I go na blight, so you not get a blight, you not give me a blight too. You not no question?
Yes, sir. Why your Wi-Fi password?
Wi-Fi password. If I give the Wi-Fi password, me have to pay a bill, you know. If you think you're bad, try clicking on it. Clicking on Wi-Fi. You think it's free? You think it's free? Yeah, rent room. You know, rent Wi-Fi. You want Wi-Fi with you?
So, sir, we are just 3 young girls and 3 young trained girls, and we go through a lot and something. You don't feel like say you might have to deal with us so hard and stuff. We don't want it all inclusive. We can just get a room for the time being.
And the Wi-Fi.
You know, say look like me attack and now get it straight. I tell you that I'm good in the whole of the place over the side here. You have a hall, they have a bedroom, and a bedroom says 3 departments. You just pick on a choice. Because you can't rub nothing inside, you know. No 2 women now sleep in 1 bed. No, warm up.
What do you mean? Oh, man.
If you no cold, might be you can contact me. Give me a show. Me a live blanket in there. But cheer up, man. When a girl, man, I like when you come out to the full of fun. I like when you look so sad night. I look like when you tired though, because I have a long day. But life for yourself, man. You see me have vibes. I mean vibes. I like when you're happy. Have fun, man. Go on inside, have fun. I want to go have fun. Go on in. Yeah, I want to go on in. Come on, the place for so. Because I practice my dance before I go dance. Because them young boy that try out smart me. No, not my roommate. I must try out smart. I want the dirt. Dirt. Alright. No nice.
Japan, come go sit down. The man is a pervert.
Me see, man. And what can I sell him name at that boat? No, man. Why you want to kick man and come here, girl?
Him can't go and chat now. Because he love my sort out. And my market man up here my rent.
It's the truth.
I want to sleep. Because me I take one of the room where the door can lock. Because that man not right.
Alright, we take that room there right this
Jaja, so me saw you come like a coach of mine then. Go on in the room when I lay down because I'm tired.
Alright, sir. Lock your leg tight, missus.
My legs are tight. Oh my. What a
Yo, where are they? How are you? When I mean that squeeze in there, how are you?
I can't the cousin, man. I can't the cousin, you know. I can't let me come check because we have some family matters we have to start out.
Yo, me hear something. Candy not tell the rule of the yard there.
No, sir.
Candy!
Where you say?
Come here there. Who the Virginia?
I'm a man. I'm a cousin.
Hear me say now. Me have agreement, you know. Me no want no man, yeah. You want to talk to your man cousin, you go in yard and talk him out of gate. Came out of gate. Me no want him a party, I get myself to go. And I get myself ready to go a party. So, you have to talk out of gate.
Fire, what you talk about? Every minute you tell me about man. Me tell you, say I'm my cousin. When you look like you want woman, I want man, and I'm my cousin.
Alright.
Candy, I want to go for.
I'm not afraid of that fooling.
You see the last boy this in my yard? You put a mark, say no man now come in the yard. Now what? A man a can't go, come and worry.
I'm my cousin, so
Paranoid, you know. I don't want no man here, I'm a paranoid.
Fire. Me not worry you.
Don't point the finger upon me.
Me not worry about me not afraid of no boy. And you can't do me cousin nothing. You know?
You know
go out the road and come out and here. You see you?
Go to the road.
Don't worry yourself, man. If me did let you in, you wouldn't go for my shit.
Oh, when it's smart. When it's smart. See you smart. Yo, daddy. No disrespect. Turn out a gate. Don't come in here, sir. One man in here, sir. One king. No play around.
Candy, this a man ya, I no landlord. Candy.
Take time,
A bunny you give me? Candy, a bunny you give me? So how this a man you come out with machete?
Me not give you no.
Why am I defend?
Me not give you no bone, I swear. This a man a Swinton. He no want no man come in a yard.
No, sir. Don't like how this looking. Something I look. I see me come here to you know. Come here. But in a machete, sir. How am I go?
No hard feelings, brother. You know what stuff may you good. Coming on a man of my yard. But that's a rule and I think the thing must run by rule and regulation. So I respect my right, you respect your right. If I catch a cross the free, problem.
Mad rule that knows that. Mad rule.
Hey, I have it, you know. No feel say I don't have it, you know. Alright, but anyway, go on like a thing, you know, and run off the yard. You know what I mean? I go to my one party, enjoy myself and do the dirt. You know what I mean? Enjoy myself later.
This a man a mad man, a madness. No? Candy.
Burn it down. Yeah man, live and living color man, burn down to the ground man. Yo, you see, with up on the face on our part, click the button and trust you subscribe, you know what I mean? and get notification. Because New Year 2022, the year starts slow for everybody. So pick up now, so we can put in some more. Just do the right thing. Share the content them with a friend them, you know what I mean? Big up all the sponsor them, you know what I mean? Big up all of the relative people them who are push the thing forward, because we are build a family out there, you know what I mean? Because it's a war right here, you know what I mean? So the family have to look out for the movements and make the movements become giant, you know what I mean? So we can help a lot of people, you know what I mean, as we go along the journey of life. Trying to make content that makes sense. So 2022, we are rebrand our movie. So it's not just movie again, it's reggae movie. You know what I mean? Because you know it represents for Jamaica, because reggae is from Jamaica. So the movie, what we are doing now is a different genre and movie. We are trying to make it different, to make it more raw and more real, just like jamming. You know what I mean? So, you know, reggae music is a free spirit of expressing yourself, you know what I mean? In all different area, that's how reggae is. That's expressing of self, when at the mind, struggle where I go through, happiness, happy time, all different types of, so you go in a one category. So it's not going to be an action movie, it's not going to be a drama movie, it's going to be a reggae movie. So that's the brand. We soon have a reggae movie shirt them come out. So we want the people them to purchase them. We will do that as one of the merch. So we have come forward with merch soon and shortly. Some shirt and some mug and some different things. Reggae movie. You know what I mean? We can help ourselves. Let us prove it. You know what I mean? Move up. You know what I mean? Because we have to do it. We don't have no choice. So this is a movie I get a while ago. It's a series, so there's plenty more part to come. You know what I mean? So leave your comments, tell me what you think of the movie, and stay tuned. You know what I mean? Burn down to the ground. Big up all the sponsor them, all the producer them, and everybody, you know yourself, man, one family. Because the name is a long list. You know what I mean? So we talk soon, man. Burn it down to the ground.
Alright, so you don't know. It's always a pleasure to create this content for you, the viewers, because you don't know only make we do it, you know. Without having viewers, we wouldn't do it. So we love the fact that we have people who invested in our way, the people who message we call, we say, yo, we love Ronaldo. People who actually call me and say, yo, I just send a movie to 10 of my friend them, you know, share the content, so therefore the channel them can grow. Because at the end of the day, in order to make this sustainable and to make it work, but that's why I say we try to have more than one channel. In that sense that we can bring in more revenue and we can take care of the things that we need to take care of, because people might see this as something simple. Oh, then just take up some camera and then just video, but it's much more than that. We have to take care of all of the overhead costs. On a daily basis, we have a lot of people who involved in the making of the movie process. People from the acting aspect, people from the because if you notice, we use a lot of different faces in the movie than what we do. So we always have a lot of people around. So we have to ensure that we take care of them, from taxi fare, if we go back at them yard, to accommodation, to food, and to actually ensure that at the end of the month, people get something, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, we're not making a whole lot of money off of what we are doing, but at least we like to show appreciation, make people know, say, yo, we appreciate the fact that you take the time on to come put in some work and to ensure that we create content on a daily basis. What we are doing, we see growth in it in terms of where we started from subscriber count, to the quality of the content, to the quality of the acting. We see where people are improving. So it make me feel good for know, say, yo, what we are doing make sense, and we are make a difference in our country, in our world, where there is not a lot of people who are trying to make a difference. So we really feel good for know what we are doing make sense, and what we are doing touch and reach people. So big up to everybody who continue to support what we are doing, from the persons them who share the content, from the persons them who reach out to us and send us a little donation. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Continue to support. We're not reaching our way yet, we still need no support. Continue to share the content and continue to support what we are doing. Big up on yourself, and just keep on watch, because we don't stop create content for you. And make sure you subscribe to all of the channels, and make sure you subscribe to JAMMIWOOD, make sure you subscribe to Richard Brown Films, Richard from Films BTS, and all the other persons who are around us who have channel, from Jutta Rhymes channel to Public Report, to Life with Kira, Shakaberry Madness, Paradise Nation, everybody who involved in our we are doing, because they don't know, Candy. I remember we have Auntie Candy, We're gonna put that Auntie Candy content over on
Reality J.
Reality JA. So make sure to subscribe to that channel too, Reality JA also. And Spoonie videos. You don't know. We just make everything make sense. So big up on yourself, continue to support. Oh, and one more thing. We're supposed to go Mandeville this weekend, which is this Saturday. So if there are persons out there who are watching this video and are interested in acting and want to be a part of what we do, link with up, man. We got there Mandeville, so we can see if we can put it in a movie or we can meet and greet same way. So DM us on Richard Brown Films on Instagram and make sure to follow me on Instagram also. Big up on yourself, alright?
Yeah, man. And subscribe, man. Subscribe. And you know the thing go. Girls just want to have fun. So there's a lot of things going to come for that series, yeah. The unexpected. So you got to be lots more girls involved in this film. Because girls want to have fun. So stay tuned. Burn it down to the ground.
Alright, if you haven't subscribed as yet, make sure you subscribe. Because it's important when you subscribe for these content to spread all over the place and for us to continue to create these great content. If you don't subscribe, it's always going to be hard for us to keep on creating these content because then the channel won't grow. So please, if you're watching for the first time, subscribe.
Girls doesn't have fun. I know the girls wanna have fun. Mama want your son. That girls wanna have fun. You can't put her down. Oh, girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Oh, girls wanna have fun. Take you up and she will put you down. Have your head spinning like a merry-go-round. Everything when the silent sound. Oh, she will let you down. You can't come around boring. She want action, don't be snoring. Oh, she's not playing. All that I'm saying is that girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Mama, tell your son that girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Don't let the fun stop. She ain't be coming back. You promised her love and enjoyment, and now you want that to stop. You tell her what she cannot wear. She act like she don't even hear. But what you want and she don't really care. And she don't really care.
So what time now? What time?
I'm not know the time when I just wake up.
Where the phone? Where the phone? Pass the phone. Pass the phone.
Where the phone?
See phone there. Pass the phone on the check time because that the man then maybe soon wake up.
Let me go back in now.
No, you have to get up now. You have to get up now. You have to get up now. Fire go come outside in time. Yeah. Hurry up and put on your clothes. Jesus. Hurry up. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes.
Thank you, Jah. Another day. What again now?
You now move them in front, so look how long you have them there. Post me pass and I go book off me to all pan. The time them are sitting here and look good neither people do away.
Yeah, man, I know it's not look good still, man, but don't worry about that. I want to go to me there start out. I want to take up for myself. Everything for me for myself, man. So you can wake up here at 9 morning. I just want to me I did it. Late last night I put it there, man. No. So I go on like a long time. Last night that, man. So I'm so move from this.
Fire.
Morning.
To talk to you about morning.
But what now?
Yeah, come on, let's up. I'm not nobody here.
Why we can't talk here, so?
You want to talk here, so?
Why?
Because around there, someone want to show you
What
something.
round there?
Come me talk to you. I may want to talk to you about the work. But let me go show you
What
something.
about something you want to give me?
No, I'm not give you
No,
nothing.
no,
Must
come
be
down,
mad.
no.
No, I'm not want
Oh, and you can't spit on with me.
me not spit out nothing with you. Not bright with me.
What you talking about now? What?
Oh, me did have something to show you around there, so. And then call away the writer, so. I want them. Because my gas done members and me not buy back yet. When me did grow on this, so now me I wonder how around this so stay. So yeah, if I erase a tenant, them a dash garbage round there and sing. And me no want you come say me.
Yeah, man, we not really look bad for you, you know.
When I used to be here, the place used to clean. It never used to look so. I knew tenant them where you take him to the place so. And I want it cold for cook.
You want the coal?
I want it cold for go cook because me hungry.
Alright.
You know, so I go for go tell you. Can pay me if you clean up around here so I can buy back my gas. Because I come beg you cold. I don't want you come take it tell me.
You meant to know, you take the coal for the pay.
So you go on man, everything good.
Yeah, even though me can't agree.
What you do?
How am I doing? Sorry about that, I sleepwalk sometimes. See about my sleepwalk. Good morning, alright?
So you choose to come around here, so.
We can't control sleepwalk. So, sorry about that. You know, say last time I sleepwalk, I don't have station, I sleepwalk. Go. Sorry about that. Sorry again. Don't tell nobody, you know.
Next time, not do that, man, and not that me come here for.
Alright. Sorry about that.
You depend, sorry.
Sorry about that, man. Sorry. No go answer. Sorry.
It's fresh.
The young girl just catch it and stop it. How in the bathroom? I use my to tell you. Where you do? Number? What? Where you do?
I'll use that, man.
Eh? You ride bike? It smell bad though. Yeah, so I'm done. Wash out in there, please, here?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Why? You understand that? When the smell bad?
What do you mean?
If I want to use the bathroom, but me I tell you, your friend in the bathroom, but when it smells so nice.
But when you do it, you're not supposed to smell nice.
Lie you tell. From you look good, it's supposed to smell good. But anyway, I don't have time to talk about that. You should have done. Make up my bed here. If you feel free, come up my bed too.
You happy with me?
Depends how much you want. Because we can work out something. If you not work yet, you not can hide and do some work for me.
What do you mean by hide and do some work for you?
Me we talk about it.
Wow.
You see, stink up in my bathroom.
Me not tell you that you forget.
Ah!
You know, so I see one whole heap of ackee this up on the tree though.
Yeah.
You do eat some can saltfish now, man.
Of course.
Me go ask the money for you. You forward out there?
Me go be here.
Me go ask Dali because I not even seeing it up from man.
Right, me I say, come go
Come
check
on,
for
me go
now.
check. Lazy bad son. Dali buddy.
Oi.
I want to see you get up from man now.
No feel so good, man.
Alright, go on rest up. Me I go to circle pick some ackee.
Alright then. Alright.
Yeah, man. You alright. Yeah, man. No. You have contact me, you know. And then me decide if she can come up and be like, can you cook on manners? You know where you feed that pan up there? You see me talk to my baby mother. No, I don't know. Uma, hey, me ain't not there, you know. Me ain't not there. So you know if you have yo, come phone. But contact me later. And then later, but me don't there. So you know go on like you want to come. I don't care what you say now. Just call me later. It's not one, I don't do a courthouse now. Carry down there. I want to know.
You know, so I keep on the tree this morning, me I wonder how I could I get some.
Hey, I went to the house, you know. And I took the tree. And not for you, so you don't want aki, you know. Ah, first, but even find that though. Come not to eat aki. And me go climb aki tree and pick aki for you.
No, sir. I could have called one man down there so he can come and pick it for me.
A two man alone in another play there, you know. If I know me a jam post, you know. That me I tell you, you know. So, no man can call no man to come pick no aki, yes, sir. But you see, I like you smartly, you know. Me can work. But me can work, we can work, you know. You want aki?
Yeah.
Aki.
Yes,
I give you aki. Let me give you aki, you take aki. My mind, no straight. Mind, you know. When I say aki, you know what I mean? Let me give you aki, you take aki. Let me give aki, you take aki.
Yeah.
Ramp me, you know. I go climb tree for you. Are you only?
And darling, I feel good. She's really sick.
You're rough.
But this a big heavy leather, yeah, man.
Yeah. The fish look kind of big like it.
Bomba, hold on, see irons. Take out the irons.
Alright. Ready?
Ready.
You're a chang girl, you know.
You're a chang man. Me a chang girl, me check that you can't manage this. And me alone, I carry all that.
Go on over. Leave me one.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but turn you over there because we'll put you up to finish and go on top of it.
There, you know?
Ah, that's good. You can't let it go now, you know?
Oh, thank God.
Hello, come up from the doorway there, you know. Come up from the doorway there.
Oh, Miss Candy.
I want to keep looking at my morning, so you can't say good morning.
Morning, Miss. I tell to me I carry leader, man.
So I want to write here some. I wake up me here this morning. Now what you going to write here some? The leader not set good. You put in a right and me do way for me come back off my toe.
Hello. We just pick two aki and then we move leather. So, we know what you figure out say no. We don't rent to your say no. We rent to the house. So
which part me doorway there? When me walk?
You see a doorway is a doorway in your house. You then have where you have to pay for. Now where you have to pay for and where you have to pay for. Oh, yes, so where you come on in time is my property same way. You rent house, you know, rent yard space.
It's in front of me doorway. So where you say foolishness, I have to keep it so clean. No
yeah, you must keep it clean. Look at how put some more money on the rent.
Me look like a girl to you.
Yeah. Pass yourself, my friend. Pick up
no,
that wire, the pass away to me. I'm here, I'm picking. Stretch you, you can't catch it. The hook, yeah, hook. Take your time. Where two friends in there? Huh?
When that darling feel good, I hurt her.
Where next one there?
She a beard.
You know some me fear beard there.
No, you're a bad man.
No miserable man, you know. No man can't come here, that me know. And the man stand for them there. Yeah, man too.
Yeah? Whatever you have to work.
Oh. You like them to be side pick things now, man? Yeah?
Miss Candy, I can't look for myself.
Candy, just not people business, so. You're not nothing else. You can buy one TV and go
stand up on you.
Watch out. One go in your house, Candy. Don't worry yourself. You go inside and get one plate. You can pick them out and put in it. Yeah, me I say to you now. You get some food, man.
Me no want nothing from you. Much time I beg you and you insult me. Me no want you offer me nothing. Me and your friend. Nah, offer me nothing. Right. So when you see people, you exert yourself. You see when you have your little dirty clothes over there and you want your dirty yard to sweep up. Eh? You want to come pick up and me if you come pick up after and you make your girl them come take up and go cook on them. Who? Me? You never sweep.
Hello. Me no want you spoil it to me, you know. A 3 young lady coming up. Trade my work one time, I make money one time, that go good for my business. You not pay me no rent. Me talk to somebody, you know. This man say must come now like tomorrow. Right and early, I go give you the direction and you go down there. And no matter mess up your work, you know. It's a gas complex for them sell gas to people. So when you go down there and just be at your best behavior. No matter cause of people them just get you work, let me say can get my money to give me. a mountain time. You can help out yourself too. Because I don't know how you survive some of the time. You don't know man ya. I don't know how you eat some of the time. Sometimes you give some food. Some of the time you don't have it to share and you're just ungrateful to say, you ask me, I don't give, so you feel insulted. Nobody does something that if I don't have it. Because I don't have my 5 dumpling. You know what I mean? And give the 5 of them to eat and make it. If you eat 3 and give 2 and then later I'm dead for hungry. I have to eat them according to the time. That means a 3 through the day I have my food, I'm belly full.
You know, say I can make you fly in my room. And lick me on my toe. You have to go pay me doctor bill. See the Akia? This Akia not even ready for help me yet and you pick it at 5-3. You see, I don't know. One go beat you out me make it poison you. Go to crib. What make you pick up for young Aki them at 5-3? And I'm here at for too. I'm here at for. Every minute you have something to say about me. Me no business one come here and go and yam food and dance. Me a drop board for you.
I don't want to spoil the thing me say.
And you come talk about you get work for me. Thanks to get the job for me. Although me not good on the yet to go do the interview. But look here, me not go make sake of you go get job for me too. You want money from me. Me make you come style me and talk to me anyhow. Who you? No man. When me and alone did the year, everything did kinda alright. Not fully alright, you know. But 2-3 girl come in. You know what? It's my fault. It's my fault. Because I see people on the road and people come ask me about space and rent and when they pass it and I carry them down. This will happen to me. You don't know me again, everything good. Kuyo, boss spoil. You think me go spoil business for you, the Aki them where you want name and cook them, you and your friend them and name them and when me beg you, you know, give me none of them, might spoil and hurt your gut.
I beg you take time with the door there. Every papa you might have a pay for it. I can then we open that tree aja. Yeah, come in with the base now.
Everything did dirty.
Yeah. What you think about? You think we have enough?
Oh, you mean, yeah man, this good man. That good. I keep it days.
No man, I don't know if I keep it man. That's just 3, 6.
I just 3 away.
No, 3 away no. A 1, 2, 3 away no. Me a 4. Candy a 5. Now what me and Candy vibration, you know?
After me no business with you and Candy, sir. But Candy can cook over for your yard. Me the plan to cook for me and my friend then.
You see your mouth will get in a problem. As some mischief start, you know. You go there run off your mouth now and shoot here, you know, then you and I can't go agree. Then me have to go turn referee. Right? So when me and try to see you, no bother with that little vibration there. You better, if you know not good to say, no say nothing. I'm a long time tenant that day. You know, pay me no rent still, but he keep me company. You understand? So, no say a word.
Me no have nothing against Miss Candy, but at least she must can cook her yard. She a big woman.
I said to me,
we are 3 young shine girls. Come on.
I said to me, but don't after that. You see food, no make your belly roll you. Don't worry about food. You see food, we have enough things to do. So if you get food, when you look food, you never can tell go on tomorrow morning. You can't come out there you know and see have it. So don't worry about that.
I want to call my name.
As somebody did that, fast answer to myself, Candy. You know what I mean? And I said, no, we don't want none. Don't let me tell.
I don't like.
I don't like. See? Argument you want to hear that?
Fire! You feel say me an idiot, not true?
Come on, me like argument, you know.
Right here so me turn up in my house. Right here so in my room, right here corner, you so we post there. And me hear a dirty girl call me name. What not call me name for? And you bitch, we just come here.
I look like a dirty girl to you.
You just come here and they come going like you want to take over. You know how long me there so girl? I chew you out there tell me business about say me not pay no rent and you no work and pay rent. You think me afraid of you?
Dirty girl. I look like dirty girl. But you know easy if you cook your yard for you. You man say you not cook your yard. Oh, I would friend them where I cook for.
Look for you. You feel say you can't style me? I chew me gas done. Me not cook. So you take it put on your head, me not beg you no money to buy me gas. Girl, you know see say I beg him a big enough. I him a pick a kigo no fin am count not dead for you gonna come one like you no have money. How you? Find out your friend.
Yo, no wait, no. Calm down.
For you come out right away. I want you.
Go.
You feel say think you can come out that. Hey girl, you feel say watch out.
Yo. Carry your friend. Carry your friend.
Come on,
Yo, carry your friend. No.
Kick
You
up
should have
our
make it
girl
catch me.
No, man, this is rough. No, this is rough, man.
Look for this a dirty girl you just come here and go on like you're somebody. A fire make you no go on so you not dead for hungry. You see if you pick Aki go no. But you know I walk if you walk out you come name off Aki when me forget off 5-3. Who you?
Candy.
Fire no call me name. I hear the dirty girl out here so they chat me. I don't want to hear none from you no. How you feel like? Hey, dirty, hey girl. You know me no me lick it.
Them beat you, you know.
Beat what? Me no afraid of no girl.
To the level the vibes in.
And that you tell them so they can beat me. So they come out of his style me. Alright, make one of them. Fire low me out. Low me out.
Take 3 to take a quarrel.
Three.
Yeah, it's not. It is a ring. Alright. Mr. Tapping nice now, you know. I don't know I hear. Alright. Yo, I'm a man in here, you know. Hey, yo, I'm a man in here. I'm Mr. Top Talk, on the Top Talk. Because uno a woman, more want you over there so, and uno in there so to just live loving. It's like yeah, more want to hold on if you have fun. That's one of the reasons I don't care now. I don't want a man bring war and violence. Woman bring fun. Girl should have fun. You're a woman, you're a big woman can do. Oh, you see, of course, you look at young girl them. Young girl, always start enough.
You care one if a girl come in here too, you want girl. Me no in no friendship with no girl. Me and girl no have no luck. Me no want love no girl. You better when make 1 million man come in, I want to you.
Come where you say a while ago? Where you just say a while ago about bag of man in? Bag of man in where? Are you by the place? Are you at the place? Are you in the title here? Are you your house this? And are your house that? Think about it. Just one man in here. If your son you have, if you breed out the road and you have a son, your son have to turn out the road.
Yeah, chat about you no want no man, so any man me breed from. Me no have to come back to your place. You say a little dirty girl them where you having this so come go on like them as somebody sake a Aki and come turn up right at me outside and come chat to me. And me a parent for me until me left, me no tell me nothing. Me no want you nothing from your fire. Who you? You see you
know some girl there chat here.
What you mean?
Oh, you know.
Me deaf. You look like me deaf. Who you? Me no. You see you are one hypocrite. No, me no want you nothing from you because you are my landlord. And you turn up a chat tenant with tenant.
But you are listen. What you doing that listen? What you listen for?
It's not your corner. It is mine. And me rent this up, so me can turn up anywhere.
But what me I said to know? If you are search something, you go find. You are search a problem. You are search a problem. Do not take the time out to look for work. But you are search a problem. Suppose me there are lyrics, you go like it's all the lyrics them. No, do that, man. This is when you're house, mind your what business, man.
From your call me name is my business. All lyrics I did for the lyrics are my name on the pan. So now live off of me. No wonder why me maga so. Because every day you know they on me back. You see you fire you is not a good landlord. If one new tenant come, you chat that tenant there with the other tenant and then you chat that the tenant there with that tenant. What kind of landlord you? Me sorry me come here. I just 2 minutes now if you going on.
Between me and you though. Did you hear me tell the girl? Yeah, listen, when you listen, did you hear me tell the girl not to call her name, right? You hear me tell the girl say, well, if you live loving her. You hear that? You are here, but you're not here quietly, you know. Me tell you something now. You see me? Me and the mama man. Me not chat people. You know what I mean? Me get people out of my yard. You know, since the tenant them there before you. All them gone and you still there. So, careful.
I bet if me did have one man in there with me, you couldn't come turn up and talk to me, so.
Oh, so can your man come put in there then? Can your man come put in there so I can't stop and talk to you?
Wait till me find
I go put on this here, you see, and I go to the Ministry of Law, and I go get one of them something that can be a property now. You understand? Because you tell me about man, you think me afraid of none of your man them, can them come? Can them
wait
come?
till me find a man. You think you can talk to me, so? You go have me man to defend me.
Alright.
Who you?
But I know you do. I know you go have the man there. Any man go defend you now, go so go on in there, you know, room, take it from you, so. I can't never walk, yo. Yeah, man, it's uno. You have a good day. You have to have a good day. Uno come with the war and violence. Back. Back. See you sitting here. I want my work finance. I'm back at me now. Big old leather. I climb tree, can jump up a leather for Uno. I don't do it aquí, you know. But I true Uno, but you know. Your friend, I don't know why. Hello, why you stay so? Yeah, tell her, say, don't talk about Candy, because Candy love argument. And she just start the argument with Candy.
You don't see the woman and look argument with me.
Why Uno young people say look like hot? Eh? Nobody can say on the past no not all. Pan go to on ready. That's why I'm not gonna live long. This is a city. This is Negril. If you want to live here, you suck salt through wooden spoon. See that's just some aki they will talk about aki them and cook food and so yeah cook or what? What should not cook?
She take pan aki them baby.
But use them one yeah. Use the one them say that's how you know. With that black one of them lose my appetite. Cook it round. You know what I mean? Because one of them lose my appetite. Because I can't bag the fuss and fighting. So the next one your friend feel better yet?
No, she still feels sick.
Are you gonna be there a while ago?
Yeah.
You know, see the clean one. So, you have man too? Big man or small man?
So me can't come so close.
No, I not come close. You see now?
So why you want to know what kind of man?
So no, I just ask because suppose I want big man have already. Because the look man. So, but if you have a big man already, I don't know. Me say, alright, if you have a big man already, you can't be look man. You know, go and laugh, look can. You know what I mean? But if you have a small man now, you understand it, Egypt? If you have a small man, you can be the big man. You know what I mean? In your life said way. Nobody nothing know. Your friend you know, because him there in front of me. Man, I joke around man. Stop telling yourself, man. Just have yourself, man. I don't say vibes are going to go bad and things. So, if you candy, I don't worry about candy. I look at joke, I show anymore. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm a fight today, and yeah, I'm live loving tomorrow. So I'll sign there so long because I know how to stay. I'm not really bad. But it's true your friend there talk about him in kind of edgy.
Oh, well, let me apologize for you. Sorry about that, sir. That not going to happen again. We're going to make sure.
That's what woman and woman say, but that's what we calm our temper a little bit. We never know, I'll get ready to touch the road and sing, yeah?
Come on, that's your 2 war boat.
Alright, we're not going to do another. I'll get ready to go up on the road.
The big woman out there, sir.
Which big woman?
The next tenant woman. Don't like him, you know?
With the zip
Delia's woman come they want food, but he want aki.
Sorry, little Aki. Yeah, because you man bought if you bill more while.
She figure out go bill, she have big woman if you have your own aki. We are young little child girl, you know, why we aki for do?
And the tree not belong to no now, no?
We beg him man picky. Yes, see, can we there want something for name, and I say out there we go ask man. She could go ask man the aki.
So Kira, you could talk to her and come marry down and you know in time.
Me? Me talk to her, I go me have to go out there go grab her because she nearly the little woman in her face. As she have to stop it, you need to left your war about behavior up a country.
And a lie, we come down for a better life and a fresh start. You can't carry them behavior go everywhere.
That's true.
We
you
just
feel
moved
better?
down here. Yeah, me feel a little better.
Alright. Come on, Ashima, we'll go cook it. Okay, war about like.
You feel better. You feel do better. You can't carry the behavior go all board.
Hello? Who is this? Jason, how much time you tell if you stop call my phone? Me now come back up there. What you mean why? You don't know why? Yeah, man. You think me a house rat? You think if fear for you, I go out every night and I left me one in my house? Till 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock a morning time? You don't feel that me young? You don't think that me want to go a party too? You don't think that me want to go somewhere nice? Every day I just sit down in a house like. So now go find somebody where. Look here, me no argument with them, no? You can say all you want, say talk all the badness so you want talk. I'm not coming back there. That's nice, bring them come. Girls want to have fun and the argument done. Have a nice day.
Watch ya. One of the voice note.
Darling, please, me never mean it, darling. Please just come back to me now, please. Daddy, please, me, I beg you, just come back now. Just come back. I never mean for disrespect you like that in front of friend them. Daddy, look how much time me I call your phone, Daddy. Just answer now, just pick up the phone, Daddy, please, Daddy. Daddy, me I gonna come like a mad. You want me for mad, Daddy? Please, Daddy, I love you, you know, me love you. Just make you just work this out now, please.
Work out what? What we are gonna work out? Me ain't have nothing to work out. You disrespect me, lift up my long time for shot me big lick. If my friend them did that kill me with lick. Me no have nothing to do with you, nothing at all. So avoid me, no call me, no text me. Nothing at all. Me not come. I don't want to see, I don't want to smell the dirty germs. Alright.
Daddy, you feel better?
I feel a little better, yes.
Over here, you need to talk to phone, pal. Make sure no come run here, got to.
Move from here, so. Jermaine.
Where am I call you for?
Jermaine, say one back. Jermaine has some voice note a ball.
Let me hear my son them. Bongo,
Jermaine, say my
jongo.
voice note a ball, girl.
Daddy, please, me never mean it, Daddy. Please just
Yeah,
come
maybe,
back
yeah.
to me now, please.
Next.
Daddy, please, me I beg you, just come back now. Just come back. Me never
In
mean
Bertie.
After boy
Daddy, look how
lift
much
up my
time me I
hand,
call
lick
your
me.
phone, Daddy. Just
Anna Jaya,
answer now, just pick up the phone, Daddy, please, Daddy.
Rate me
Black
now.
if you black him.
Rate me now, but me not think nothing to this so. I don't feel nothing to this so. Me if you never put up your hand. What do you think? If you give me a next chance, I'll make that go on.
If I did me, I would have run him, but I want what's best for you, so if you want to give him an next chance.
I mean, not to this so. Maybe if you never lift up your hand, you lick me. By the way, lick me. Maybe if you never lick me,
But if you never did it,
and that kill me. I go feel out that man there, you know. They show me a place. Then me they ask what the place here. Cause he all call me. Tell me something I feel so good. He tell me say they go come and check me. I go and feel him out first. Do you know what I
he
mean?
might come a landlord yard. How will you care?
I carry some pill and some juice to me.
Sorry for him.
You can walk through this one.
Transportation.
Public transportation.
I'll go up in landlord no book him, cause if he book him, me sorry for him, rah.
Man, me tell him when you reach when we call me, I tell him what to do.
Alright.
Alright then, but you're busy with the markets man for one day, man.
You too mix up, let me come up here. Get talk.
Alright.
Get well soon.
Alright, love.
Brother. Bro. About the about for 2 hour punk me. Jermaine. Come to you.
2 days now, Dolly gone and nigga.
Gonna do what?
You know, I don't even know why my friend ain't gone to me. I call him phone and he not even take answer my call. I send him much voice message and he not even answer my call.
So that really about for? What's so special about Dolly make you go once over?
I mean, what's so special? I'm a girlfriend, you know.
So if she don't want you, what you go do about it? You can't do nothing.
I must see 8 or 10 times now since we walk up and yard to see if he come back.
Jermaine. So you really tell me say you turn girl crown over one girl?
I mean, girl clown. Then you me hear on the phone a while ago, you look a idiot, man. The boy I take it for idiot.
First of all, no man can take me for idiot. Second of all, that is none of your concern.
Just go on and lift me alone. Just lift me alone.
No, so me fi go call mommy for the one here. Mommy.
You want me for my darling? Please, darling, I love you, you know me love you.
Jeremy and Ron, they saw a ball over Dolly same way still. You can't come talk to him for me.
When? Which part in?
In the road, yes, sir.
Alright, may I come?
Just make it just work this out now,
I want to your son. I want to hear my son. Dry for tears, dry for tears. What are you?
Mommy, a dolly, mommy.
What she do you now?
Look how long me and Dolly.
Dry for tears, man. Dry for tears. Dry for tears. Dry for tears. You're a big man. So what are you? Where girl do now?
Mommy, he follow him friend them. She a follow her friend them. You see me? Gone and nigger. Why gone and nigger gone do?
You know that you want to start ball for? You put ball over me enough too, you know. But me don't want you ball over the woman. Make the woman go have fun, man. So, what make you not go to work today?
Mommy, I never feel good this morning. God no.
No, man.
I never feel good.
You have to go and work, man. Work important, man. You and you want me food, you know. And you're a big man. So, since you're a ball over woman, go on your family on the grill, man. Go stay with them one day. More time go on. Alright, sir? Go down on the grill, man. Don't alright. You get where you want down there. Go on.
Alright, mommy.
Alright, sir.
Fire.
Wagwan.
Yeah. What else I'm about to tell you though?
Step back over. Yeah, man, a good that's it. What's that going on?
You know, so I like your daughter though.
Oh, you like my daughter?
Yeah.
But you're brave. Amos, when it to Adams or your papa. You like my daughter, you can't tell me you like my daughter. You know, someone will see her one and tell her you like her. And me, I can't tell you like her. So I'm going to set up on her. What did you say? Talk to me. Maybe set up on my daughter.
Yeah, man, I can buy her a juice too.
I prank catch her, prank. Watch out. Where come I there? Come on, young boy. I see
man.
soon up on the blood. You know, where come I there?
I'm not prank.
If you know what real, you take a time go up your yard, here. I go see your parents and talk to them, you know. Because you want to send me a prison. Take a time go in the yard. So you don't going to cross the line here. If you think you're bad, when you see my daughter, touch her. Touch her, love her up. Love her, hug her up. And let me find out. You're going to see. Go on up your yard. I go warn my daughter if he's thinking bad. Any man she pick up a man was can't fly one jet gun drop or so poof. You walk, you drive car?
No, sir. I walk.
You walk foot. Your people then own companies. So you just want to go breed up look at that and no one left her in a poverty. You go to school and minor. You are Christian.
I'm not Christian.
You know what? Go on up your yard. You can't breed off my daughter and things that say go. No run them joke there. When I was small like you, but you're brave, you know. I never do that I'm small like you, know. I would never go to your parents and tell someone them daughter. You understand? But you brave. When I know what they spend on the dry eye. Right in my eye, you come tell me, say, like, let me see. My daughter say hi to you. And so me do her. Make you just say hi. And see what me do to her. You go on. I will tell a girl to come now, yeah. I go talk to her mother, you know.
Still like her, still no matter what you want to say.
Hello? Hello? Not now this.
You know, that man really book you up on the road, man, and take your number and tell us, we'll find a room for you.
Oh, so what going?
You know, so we find one room,
For how much money, sir?
100,000 let's say a month, well furnished.
No, sir, me get some cheap, well furnished. Me alright.
You know, anyway, I call, I check up on you still, because you know, some like you still.
Alright, now me not too can't talk about that, you know, cause me not feel so good, cause me sick out.
You sick out?
Mm-hmm.
You want buy some pills, can come here then?
I can't do that, yes. I have something to take your pill.
Yeah, but we don't know where you live. We can't do an Irish match, but we don't know where you live.
Alright, then you have to go come. You know Nampril?
Yeah, we know Nampril. Which
Yep.
part out there?
Stop at the cash pot shop and you turn left. And you just link me when you reach, or you see my friend them on the front.
Alright.
Not right, you turn left.
Left. Alright, now push out.
Alright, thanks.
Alright. Dali, what color you say house in that green? Cream, white. You have a little brown around the rim. Dali!
Where they are, so?
Come to Dali.
You know. My dad never tell you, So yeah, woman alone coming and saying, daddy. So where wants daddy from?
Pillar and Irishman can come there.
Okay. Step back out now.
So why we should I step back out?
No, because the yard, woman alone more in the yard. After some man put up over the yard, what day? Me put it mark here, so no man never come across the line there. So now me have 4 women live here. Enter they want bull, them go look bull anyway. If you want Dali, you and Dali can link up and yes at the place. You can come with Dali, next time if you out the gate and shout out and take it and carry with Dali, but we don't want no man cross the line. So just take a time, go back out on the front of the sun.
You know what could have caused this? Now when she went down in her room, she free if you can't man come here.
Awa, I come from here. Eh? I see him doing no man here, you know. Awa, wonder and what I do. We go see what I want. You can't turn anywhere out from the front there. Just not cross the border. You think a free yard? You think a yard are free? Don't pay them rent for turning there. So if they want to come out, just a free road. Free to walk out, that's not free for them yard. So you see next time, you can't afford none of them. You left it out, yes sir, see it here. Everybody left it, yes sir. Every man left them, yes sir, and go on. And then come pick up it. When they want them bull, then go take them bull. No bull in your sock. Dali, oh you there so? Dali. Yes when you have. Your man them carry like a cheapness come here. Yeah. Copy? Oh yes. That I own me now. Me not have manners. Because this could tell me say like you have all right to get man in here. So, me warn him, you know. Tell that man don't cross the border. Him see you out the road and send anything come you. Anything you want different from him, you go out the feet, but no can a man in the yard. Me don't talk. So you get some things that feel, you say no feel so good, don't make them come out in my yard.
Fire, today is not the day. Today is not the day.
Hear
man.
that?
Go on.
Hear that? Hear that? Only left the fire on.
Jesus Christ. Fire, go on, no man.
Only left the blast with fire on.
Mommy,
Oi.
Alright, man, go down here.
Okay, yeah, go you know.
Yeah, me.
Hey, black. Gotta go for Dolly, alright. Blast it out.
Alright.
Alright.
You love your ear. How me look? Me alright, the boy alright. Alright. Dolly, here I come. Dolly, here I come. Dolly, here I come. Good. December.
Girls just wanna have fun.
Let's up, General.
I know the girls wanna have fun. Mama want your son. That girls wanna have fun. You can't put her down. Oh, girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Oh, girls wanna have fun. Take you up and she will put you down. Have your head spinning like a merry-go-round. Everything when the silent sound. Oh, she will let you down. You can come around boring. She want action.
Man.
The new one that area, brother. I post me at here when I say, how you come from?
So what is
What is for? You see them black here? Eh? You know, long me I try to build up a place here.
So you deal
Let
with
me see me. Give me that.
Oh, you deal.
Give me that back. Give me that back. Take it back. Oh, yeah, go back. Go some man. Go and go some man. You know that place here? How long man build up my thing here? Come talk about. I thought I left over that spot now. Let's not. Me check what I go on.
Oh, Mr. Man, what go on, me general?
Brother, what go on? Everything out
there.
You know that, brother?
Someone just violate me a while ago, you know.
The man is general. When you come in here, you respect them, man. For the don't tell me, say this, man.
Brother, man, just keep me in my body a while ago, you know.
I saw you go. I'm back, me come for.
Hold on, man. I don't know anything, because I guess I know. If I know say a peer version, you're not alright still now. Yo, watch yourself. I'll make a phone call. And make him know, say, me know, say, yeah, come show yourself. See? How you said, man, I say thing, you have to learn one day. What's the first boy, you bun? You know me? Oh, this is my disrespect. This is my this.
Brain said they are right now.
What's the fist?
What's the man fist, no man?
What's the fist? I'm a boss ahead.
Yeah.
Because him know, me don't know you.
Go on run
Remember
off.
that, you know.
Go on run off and there, boss.
All right, boss. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man, I want everything.
When you come here, say you respect them as general. You know, man, we both head.
Brother, lucky boy, lucky, you know.
No, man, then the man, them good man, them man, they no come down, say, see me?
Yo, boy, here, what? Come on. Hold on, just stay. You know, say I come to cool out, because I'm tired of a country, man. Tired of, I just want a nice little girlfriend, yeah. Go on, normal.
Well, like when you done, come down here with this thing. If this place can't put in a still, but...
Alright, so yo, come on, man, go, boy.
Come on, we'll show you.
There. All right, you lovely lady, come here. I ask you 2 questions.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, we just get something so fine now. But it's dropped off here a while ago. I look on there. Come look fresh. And keep on new party. The new party, man, keep on the headphone, they go up here. You don't carry it. No, party.
Sir. Yeah, talk loud.
Yeah, man. But how look though?
You look nice, man. You look good. You not get the I can give me.
Boy, right now, the people them, they got all like Irish Spring. And they got all like look snack and look sweet them and them have seen left shirt and look slippers and them
okay. You look good, man. I like your slippers.
The crush door and I borrow them.
We can borrow this.
Wait for someone just get the fanfare. People love borrow things, man. You love borrow things. You can borrow. You want to borrow the too?
Yeah.
Come borrow it.
You can't keep it in there.
Come borrow it.
Go back to my room.
Come borrow it. Oh, you know, I'm borrow. You know, but one other push you like this barrow.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
No papi have. No papi have.
Good night.
Nice. What you do yourself now?
No, say I'm homework. I come beg and help me do.
I saw not beg people no go and like on a phone. Your mama. Nah, if you do work.
Remember, say mommy never go to school, you know, so she said must come down here and ask if I can help me, please.
I go help you. You want A plus? Nah, no manners, but I go help you. I'm in a room and lock on the light there. Somebody I go and check out something. I don't know what people never done. And then go to the garbage. Alright, we got that. So I'm gonna better so did the fast car. Alright. What them give you? Multiple choice?
Yes.
Alright. Just ask me question them. Come to brighten my ideas, you know, man. When me done my work, everybody did then, I done my work and sit down and go into the dog and play. When everybody does there 2 or 3.
Alright.
Yeah.
How many parishes are in Jamaica? Alright, here answer them. You have A, 5, B, 6, C, 14, and D, 12.
A. The next one now.
What is the capital of Trelawney? You have A, Westmoreland. You have B, Negril. You have C, St. James. And you have D, Kingston.
Adi. Yeah, man, Adi. Daddy, man. I'm right, man. Adi.
Oi. Where you go? You know what's the rest of the one man in the yard, right? Top. Oh, you want so brave? A bare woman alone Rasta want in the yard. Where you are do ya? Who you? Don't see me.
Where Rasta? Rasta there?
Me not get no information about my landlord.
You see you? You know easy, you know?
Oi. No bother with it.
I want me also, I owe him.
I'm a cousin.
Oh, the cousin look nice.
Look here. No bother with the touching.
Number 3.
Yeah.
What is the capital of St. James? You have A, Westmoreland. You have B, Montego Bay. And you have C, Kingston. And D, Negril.
Oh, the next one a G. Oh, you not G there. Alright. The next one a A. Girl, that's right. I'm saying, man. And the next one here. C, that one the B. Quite it faster, yeah. The one that A. The one that B. The one that C. The one that A. A again. A again. Watch out. Oh, D, that one there. See that one of them done. Come get here, I don't know. Come call them back. That's a few.
So daddy, you not give him nothing to eat. One half 5 bola. Let me get what me do you don't want bola.
Babes, one in. Go on in. Woman to woman talk. I'm a man. And nobody go call me name to the landlord.
Miss Candy, me know say you get the place away. And me appreciate that. But you're not even like me and my friend them. So tell me, why we should I keep your secret?
Don't judge me. Who tell us I don't like you? Are your big dirty thinking friend I go on like she more than me, but she not hotter than me.
Shh. Me know you talk and make she hear, cause that girl there, she a war boat and me can't take a mix up on the cussing in the night. Her name is Ashley. She's a very, very nice person. I same way so. Me and her used to cuss and go on before, and now we are best friends. So that means that you and her soon be friends.
Alright then. Hear me now. You can have a man too. And we keep your secret. You understand? So you keep my secret and me keep your secret.
So daddy, I couldn't give me a little drinks.
You can't, no man. Give me a sit down and eat, sing a son, man. Go call the bike taxi for you. You want some alcohol?
Alright, yes. You better have me the techie bone.
Yo, why there now? Yeah. Why you kill my daughter for me? Yeah, man. She see a man. They are not so bad, man. Them have 1 and 2 look robbery road now and then, but it's not so bad. People know around there, just let off right eye road until I have to run. Alright. Right now, you know. Just blow the hand on each other. Goodbye. Yeah, me, alright. Papa eat bulldog, come come. Alright, so, you the bike.
So Miss Candy,
Here come.
Mr. Man stay so.
He no good. That man there can't chat about he no want no man coming.
Right now.
You see, you know, say me go a shop and I go want you to follow me go a shop.
Yeah, man.
Yes, he gone. That the Rasta there, he no good. I can't tell me. Say you no want no man in the yard. Yeah, we have no money can lend me because me go buy
yeah, me have to go find a room.
Yeah, me have
But
no
wait now. Right now the cable stop working and we're in boring in the man. So if we not talk, we go on what a reason, man, so what?
Actually, me hungry, me a beg I want money to go buy something up the road.
Don't worry about that, man. We can't say go buy 2 pizza. What reason I can't?
No, not in my room when my place dirty. Me not. When my place dirty, me no make nobody come in there. When me clean up it done, then me call you and we can go all a reason. Not now. In the too dirty, my bed not spread it. You mad? When me clean up it, me call you and make we sit down and
talk. So boring, man. Yo. Yeah, you know I'm going to party tonight. You don't go and do nothing. I'm going to party tonight. Alright. Party up on Bourbon Beach. I'm going to enjoy myself. Yeah, me I go to Bourbon Beach tonight and done. Because since it's not no fun, I got Bourbon Beach all the vibes, right? So put your girl up there, I can get me look do, you know, do look dance and thing, but here what go on. Anything you have in here so from now, you take it from now. Anything you want from in here, I'm going to lock my girl and me I go. I'm going to have 1 key. So who in, go stay in, and who out, go stay out. You understand me I say? You have nothing to do in the key, right?
I know me all lock out, me have one key.
Alright. You want know, me I push out. Go and do nothing. But do you have to do for now? Take out and put in for now. Because when I lock the grill and go on the road, when you don't come up on the grill, because I can't come back and do the party done.
Girl, that was close.
Me say you nearly get catch.
That's how it go. Anyway, me I go in.
Yeah, lucky one, you get wet tonight.
That's how it go. But let me tell you something. Watch him anyway and put on in key and can come give me. Maybe carry go cut one off there and give you. But no make you know, you know.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Me your friend.
Alright.
But me and the next big dirty one and no friend.
Girls just wanna have fun. I know the girls wanna have fun. Mama want your son. That girls wanna have fun. You can't put her down. Oh, girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Oh, girls wanna have fun. Take you up and she will put you down. Have your head spinning like a merry-go-round. Everything when the silent sound. Oh, she will let you down. You can come around boring. She want action, don't be snoring. Oh, she's not playing. All that I'm saying is that girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Mama, tell your son that girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Don't let the fun stop. She ain't be coming back. You promise her love and enjoyment and love.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. From that time to this time, we keep the fire blazing. You know what I mean? Big up to all the fans them out there, you know what I mean? And all the new coming people that will come subscribe and burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Yes, so, Cool Breeze, you know what I mean? Go over to them channel. You'll see it in the description and give them a support, you know what I mean? Welcome them to the family as we go along, you know what I mean? The same movements. Cool Breeze is our next company we are in association with. You know what I mean? So, girls want to have fun. Cool Breeze is one of the sponsor on it. So give her some support, give them some support, husband and wife company, you know what I mean? Love to see people living a love and can do them business together, you know what I mean? So we push positive vibration across the world. So that movie is supposed to be entertaining, so hope you enjoy it. Leave your comments, them want to think about it, you know what I mean? And pick out your favorite actress out of it and, you know, what you like to see them do and how them are going so far, you know what I mean? Who you like? You like Dolly, Kira, or Ashley B? Them are the 3 main female, and Candy, yeah, 4 woman, bunny down to the grub. Big up all of the actresses them and actors them who make the movie possible. As you go along, girls want to have fun. I lie, ladies, tell me if I true me I tell her a lie. Woman want to have fun, girls want to have fun. Leave a comment. Bunny down.
Remember to subscribe. I am begging you. And when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so the channel can keep on growing. All right?
Girls just wanna have fun. I know the girls wanna have fun. Mama want your son. That girls wanna have fun. You can't put her down. Oh, girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Oh, girls wanna have fun. Take you up and she will put you down. Have your head spinning like a merry-go-round. Everything when the silent sound. Oh, she will let you down. You can come around boring. She want action, don't be snoring. Oh, she's not playing. All that I'm saying is that girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. Mama, tell your son that girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun.
You have reached the voicemail box of 1-877-646414.
Hello?
Wagwan, babe.
There, man, wagwan.
Yo, Parental, you not short and say wagwan.
Cause me a call you from when I'm gonna get to be a voicemail me again.
Wait, say that again.
Me a call you from when I'm be a voicemail me again. Are we ready?
When you get voicemail on the phone, me out on the front. I'm a phone lock off.
Me still there, nigga, you know?
Me a come on your foot, man. Me a come on your feet. You think you got no star. Me a come on your foot, man. So which part you there?
Me still there around my house, around an Amprel.
John no star. Alright, come up on the front part. You know, I told me there, but shit. I want piece of crap. Me soon come on your foot.
Alright, me go there. Me there, they go and wait for you. Come in here.
Yeah, man. Me forward. Me forward me short, yeah.
Alright. Alright, baby.
Alright, bitch.
Yeah.
Angel. Yes, mommy.
Come here.
Yeah, come.
Where they from morning?
Remember say the time to go tired to go with them in the mommy, so that me did that do.
Yeah, but you look on the time now. Time for you to go to school.
Alright, me go get ready. So, mommy, did you get no money to send me to school?
No, you know my daughter. Don't worry yourself, man. Me figure out something. Just go and get ready for school.
Boy, you know, say, you have to get one little man so at least you can help parent though, you know though.
But me never come down here for man. Me come down here for have fun. Go party and dance and have fun. By the way, I want to party spot them there because right now I feel the vibes to go out.
I don't know nothing about the party spot them, you know. Because right now, I don't have money for that.
Oh, it's so boring. Woman like me not have to have money for have fun. Anyway, me there, that's at the party day. Me just so. Sure, I'm to you. So, mama, I want your body warm. No, me just like have fun. You know, just boring, so girls like have fun. What I'm to know? You just stay in the yard, so girls want to have fun. You not do nothing. You not help run the house. What go on? And you out to uphold the slackness. What go on?
So, what you want me to do? She talk and I wind up herself for me to do. Tell her if stop. Me not do nothing.
You come to take my man? No, sir. No, man. Man, I tie down business. Me no want a man tie me down. But you out to wind up yourself, pan him do. I was a wine and wait for me to the party. Go on inside, go clean up the place, man. But look on you too. No young girl no want nothing.
B, you know have to go on so you know. You know have to go on so like say me and she there or me a look her. You know have to go on say too jealous man.
What you mean? You're my man. I'm supposed to jealous. Remember say I'm me take her in, you know. She's not supposed to out to one up herself in the first place.
Alright, babes, alright. I want happen to make you just come out, that's what happen.
The money me want to send Angel to school.
Yo, me not have no money, no. I think the best thing to do. I call him father and see if I can get the money from him.
I'm like you said, me got the wrong smaddy, you know.
Call him, man. You have credit for your phone?
But I no credit for call him, you know.
Call him on this.
You really gonna make me call him? I am my man, you know.
Our father. I'm supposed to take care and pick me.
That the man say my money and a friend, you know. So how me if I go ask him? Him never yet have money.
Morning. I said earlier coming in morning, man.
Yeah, fire. You know what say I need some money for Angel right now, and I don't in your yard me I come.
Yeah, we go on now. You can't come for your money if you send your girl, my daughter to school. But you know, I don't want you to go to my yard, you know. When I reach in the lane, you call me, I carry the money come give you. But I don't want you to go to my yard. Alright? And I not run a joke in there. Just when I reach in the lane, you call me, I carry money come give you. Adam smell. Hello. I know some say no man of there, but you see that cigarette something there, and I not work. You see if I smoke a cigarette, you go in the back. You know what I mean? I don't like it to make smoke. Oh, the cigarette. What me I say now? I don't allow that cigarette smoking here say now. See if I burn some weed, it's easy. But tell them, some don't want a man in the yard, but I don't want no cigarette smoking. It's the secondary smoke, I don't work with it. You see if you want smoke, you go in the back.
Yes,
sir. I climb on the whole stop. Or you go over bush. But no smoke on the veranda because it's a my space itself. When I come out as so, the cigarette smoking on my face. You know what I mean? But you see that something there? When you wear them, you know say you're not easy. Rent a come up, the rent soon coming up. You know what to do. You see them something there, nobody have to know, you know. You can cut down for your rent from 15 to 13. You know what I mean? That's a little squeeze. You know what I mean? Squeeze come in the room, I'm squeeze it back out. You know what I mean? You can't go on. Very good though.
Yeah man, I'm a good man.
And my baby mother will keep some money going because I don't want her around here. So go and lock off your ends and soon come back, you know. But you might say no cigarette smoking. You see if you want to smoke cigarette, you go smoke a bit. If you want to burn weed, you can come out of my room and come smoke it. You know what I mean? And get everything you want. Yeah man, real. Me have weed in there, you know. You love weed?
Yeah.
What kind of
some weed? High grade.
You like high grade? Come in there.
Yeah. When I come back.
Alright, so forward.
Yeah.
When me did there, I some who should there follow instruction. I said no come to me yard it up right to say some man. Say girl there.
Stay up a yard. I do I work.
So you come and say smile, so I don't like to smile so much, you know.
So what I can't smile with you?
Anytime you see money in my hand, I just make a breathe, you know.
I just money you see them in the start, somebody else come and breed. We take the money out of somebody else, so?
Say it go.
Good, alright, see it ya.
What else dollar go do? What else dollar go do?
No, fish got school today and tomorrow. You have to check me later. No, this is not. Make you go to school today, you have to check me later. There's some money to pay some people, then later make more money. And some get money at the time, man. Sorry, you know I better not come back court, you know. You want to come back court?
You know, so you was a mean man. A $1,500 forgive me.
Where the money stay, I cannot give her $1,500 a day. I have to give her $1,000 a day. Why do you get up in the morning, you know? Peel a banana, some breadfruit and cook good healthy food here. Nobody get no chips and juice. You see, if I get two of them Johnny dumpling there, I think about 1,000 come home. If you cook a good piece of food, get it in the morning. When you get 12 o'clock, your belly still full. Get up in the morning, make some cornmeal porridge, give him and sweeten it with condensed milk. And sweeten it up and give him to Johnny. Try Johnny keep them so many times. You know, give her one sitting. You get up, you move too slight to no young girl.
Them just sitting there first time days. Them days they're gone. A reality now.
So what going on now? What?
No man, you have to go do better than this. This can't do. So I not left until they give me more.
Alright, you know what? No left. No left. Turn up bright, sir. I soon come here.
But I know what I go breed for you for.
You're the
worst thing I ever could have done in my life.
I just see money in my hand you breed. So you go on.
I know that. You just know want to give me the money you 2 million. You old dog, yo.
How you call dog? I might tell the party dog there. I might dog you up out here. You may be a mother, you know what? Take a time go on your yard, here. And make you say, you know, take no money to that buy no cigarette. Because I know for your style, the 5 is extra. If you buy cigarette and rum, right at rum corner.
The money where you have to take and give the girl them down here, yeah, we are name you out.
Actually, you can't get none.
When I give you not, no.
Actually, you not get none.
You get up early, do Dele. You see the nice streets all night. I'm going to make some potato pudding right now, man. In here. So here, I'm going to send you. Go to the shop. You know if you tell you, man, if you get discount. You go buy potato, coconut, little flour, vanilla, cinnamon leaf, sugar. You know, you
just text me thing them come, I remember nothing.
Alright.
Where money?
Hold this.
Thank you.
You go bathe, you know? No, man. You can't bathe it. Why? I go bathe, put my great height and look up on here, so. So I can't bathe and come back? No, sir. If you bathe a different side, that's not them say you don't want to go in at this, you don't want to smoke up. And no, sir.
Alright, we have a time about my clothes.
Yeah, man, job back and sit and come.
So we're going to buy something then?
I said, Ashley, me.
Oh, alright.
Alright, go on. Go bathe.
Wait. Me have something to tell you.
Yo, I hope nobody business you can't tell me now, you know.
I know nobody business. For your business. Woman not tell me your business. Woman tell me say, you're a 2-minute man. Every day you get up and work and no money.
Yo, I lie she tell. I make she tell you nothing. You know how long we in there do what we do. Lie man, I make she tell you every week me give her money, so I lie she tell. But thanks you tell me still. Find thing later. Alright?
Alright, bye.
Right.
Yo, I can't believe it. You really tell your friend say me a 1 minute or 2 minutes or some minute man, me don't know, but you need to tell your friend that I'm between me and you, you can tell her that.
But babes, I trust the girl, you know. I not expect she to come tell her them thing there.
Yo, I know that's about trust. About big things that happen between me and my bedroom. I don't expect you to ask you to chat with your friend. I tell her about me can't stand long for you. How me broke and I have no money. I still think that man, you make your friend look for me like say me a fool.
Babes, that she a fool, man. It's that she don't live nowhere. You say an idiot. I'm sorry,
Alright, you are going. Me left gang and see me can do and go hustling on the road. I'm not even too sure if they'll come back this or come on, because right now, can't buy the style thing, you know. I'm a big man, I'm a boy. So you look come on later.
Alright.
So my time, so you get your pregnant some woman and boy across in your life. Good morning.
Morning.
Boy, you just push everything in your mouth so. Where poke up mouth so you can't say morning?
I'm glad so you come. Because you want a little coal and I never have no money to buy none.
Where go the coal?
Go bake one pudding, man.
Where can I put your bake?
Potato pudding.
You can't bake pudding?
A country me come from, born and grow, me can bake it.
You know, so me have something to talk to you about different, but me have coal, man. I don't worry about coal. Now if you have no money, me have one bag of coal on the side also. When I bake the pudding, I get some, I get one piece of it, one slice out of it. Now worry yourself. You know what I mean? You have everything put in it?
Yeah, man, me say I should go and buy it.
Anything you don't have, you check me. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Me know say, look like you're born, right? So that one hag pen. Because you're haggish. You know what I mean? I'm gonna like it. Me just like, me, come here, could you like tenant and landlord no? Let's live in peace. With the one place, anything in need that you can call upon, anything you want, you can call upon. How does that sound?
I don't say that like that, tell. I read say that I have pen to show me there. When me there country. But with you know when people tell you it's true, you know like eerie.
No, but you ask for me though. For the first time I carry, I know you rent the place now your friend. But you out of everybody else, the big fat one talk to me nice. The tall big breast one talk to me nice. But you are the one. But other them certain place, you know?
I don't condone with foolishness.
So, me don't know what if I your body size then. Cause you them big and healthy and strong and you just look like maga, make us full as much attitude. From day one when you come in, but you know, them say who know better do better. So me a big man and you a young girl, so me I go plant peas a line. No. So me I say, today now we go live loving. Yeah, bake it pudding, me I support you. Right?
You can just tell me say one piece of pudding, stop being like you're
Me
with
tell
me
you
no
say one
fire.
piece of the pudding. Yeah, I tell you that already, but me I say different from that though. Every time I talk to you, kind of haggish. So just that, apart from that, me good. But I realize I still talk normally still. Some people might take it wrongfully, you know, when you act a certain way, you know. But then I realize that through your band, so that you hag pen or you do your day growth, so that you hag it, you know. But me understand people, so me could say way. But anyway, I'm going to my room, go with a vibe.
One man,
But
because this you want this, me
no
like
man,
nice.
go take the coal them and do what you do. Me can check pan it.
No check pan no pudding
Who
for
pa
me.
you go? No, me not go check pan pudding for no country. Country girl. Country girl. We are trying to plant peas a line. Come, make a big friend. Friends, come. Touch you know, touch me.
I go be
touch me country. Me take 1,000 for rent if you touch the place. Alright.
You that.
Go take up sit around also.
Yeah man.
And use it, alright?
Ah, yeah man.
When done, me smell the pudding and come with peas.
Mama man. Free.
Come. Come man, no see you. Alright, go.
Yeah.
How you go?
Just come back. Go get something to go bake a pudding idea.
No, your friend there tell me. Yo, so you just spent the party last night?
Yeah, I see you.
You're nice, me come to love light, you know. But strong girl like you, what you do on your head?
Same it was everybody, so no.
No, you see this man, I remember, you know. Me see this man before you go. On the road a while ago, if you come back a while ago. Me see me talk.
Yeah, me.
But me remember, just a while ago, me see remember.
You feel like joke did I make it?
No. Me never say talented, you know. When I say, Ashley B, me see you roll over in the pant up your head and you start whine and whine. Then you take your mic from them and start do fear song there. What? But me say, cause me say do a video for you too.
Yeah.
You see him song there?
Then take it down.
Then why then take it down?
I don't know. Then just take it down like they report you or something like that. But I don't see it no more.
But when me see you perform in the night, me a get like everybody say, yo, that song is better than the original. Yeah.
And the selector them love you and I run with it.
All you want now is a good producer.
True man.
If I hear about the producer, then call Raw Dog.
No?
I go get a link. If I'm a cousin, friend, sister, brother, pitney. But don't worry about that. Me go make a link for you. Right?
For real?
You go boss. When me see you going with, you go boss. You're at the right place. I'll pull up some connections and links to you. Go and be a pudding though. I have things to do today.
You don't want to know pudding?
No, man. I talk to him already, man.
Okay.
Talk to him already.
Alright.
After me call, you go use, you know. And my call, go be the pudding, so you know where you go. I don't have to ask no question. And my party go bake, you know. So I don't have to ask about a slice of pudding.
Alright.
Go and do the thing.
Yeah, boss. Yo, check
you
if
come?
everything me get. Call now you not send me text message.
Check if everything I get. Look how long country people have baked pudding. You should know what to buy. All fame of that baked pudding.
That's true. But me get everything still.
Everything in there, man. I go start right away.
Yo, Jota calling me now. And me good to go with him or so. I don't know yet. I make up my mind. But more I left some I pudding for me. But I eat half.
I feel a regular style there. The easiest due to them you want to do.
Kill man.
I lick you in your face this time for you, man.
Hey, girl. Me have a bone for pick at you, you know. You two mix up. You girl me a chat. You think me need that here? What you really a tell my man say? I can't believe that I really trust you and you go tell him man what I say.
Hello, the only thing me tell a man are the truth. Saying turn the bed for 2 minutes and I no money. To you.
But girl, you really go call my name? You shouldn't do that. I left you if you left my place right now, you know. Come to know where you go call my name to him for. So what you try to do? Mash up a relationship?
You tell me, but you never tell me so enough to tell him.
You love use your mouth too much. That's why I don't live nowhere. You still look for me? After what you do? What am your house, yeah, man? Hey, girl. You try to go take out your things, yeah?
Let me go. Let me go. Watch your man tell me two bad brother they make them come beat you up. Let me go.
Alright, go on for your bad brother. Go on for your bad brother now. Go on for them now. Go on for them.
Yeah, daddy. I like them vehicle there. Nice vehicle them.
Yeah, man. Yo, me reach at the JAMMIWOOD city sign now, you know. Which part are you there? Me reach at the JAMMIWOOD city sign.
Hey. Come on.
Where are you?
Come on, son, man. Watch out. One line did there. I don't get to put on the fence yet, but one line did there. I don't know what advice, man. Don't take me wrong. But there's a rule and regulation or so. No man allowed to cross the line. Right? So, from doso to doso, I soon put on the fence and I can put the big old sign on it. No man allowed here. But out of so, everybody good. Every man out there. No matter what you want to do. You can't do anything on the front, on the main.
King.
You can out there. But you want somebody there?
It's a girl me come to.
What's your name? What's your name?
Ashley B, man.
You a producer?
Nah, man, I'm a producer, man. Yo, short off for me there.
Alright, stand up, sir. Just stay there, sir. My call to be for you. Don't cross the line, just stay right there, sir. Don't move. So you couldn't tell your man friend them say when them come to you, no man no walk in my yard?
Me tell him.
Since I walk in my yard, so I tell him no yard. Are you producer that? Boy, I drive big jeep. Go on talk to him and do what you do.
Oh. Hey. What, baby?
Yeah, man. How can a man, matter of fact, I wish man that. I come tell him about me can't come over there, so.
Who island lord you attack?
Island lord.
Island lord. One rest man? Island lord.
Come and draw a line with cutlass and look how far I come from. Post, me don't want me make look love.
No, sir, that them on the strict. You know what? None of that in a film place. He make we know from before we even get us so. So we have to go up on the beach or somewhere. I'm supposed to tell her that.
Suppose that the bathroom want to use or something.
You know what? No man at all you know want in a place.
Alright, enough of that. You my glad for seeing you. Go move here, man.
I say.
Auntie, what going? You can't stay up there? But auntie, you know, say me not thief nothing. I just want to come up there and stay for a couple of days, cause see person me there stay with, see rooftop gone. I mean I know if you sleep right now. But auntie, you can't just me even sleep on the ground, you know, if you give me ground for sleep and me sleep on the ground. Alright. So you can't give me $3 make me go into a room then and sleep for the night. Lord God, auntie. Why me can't treat me so? Alright. Who else me can call? Me call Franco. Franco.
That's so now have my shit there. So you candy talk already?
Oh, me I can't be talk about.
Oh no, because you fear front door, so I don't want you put the fire too close for now in there. You know what I mean? Good in there sleep and smell the smoke. You talk to her though?
Talk to her about what I want put me a bit, me no so gone, cold can smoke.
Alright, one thing I say, I want to live loving you. No matter what I do. You see big old thick one, how are them go for fight, you know? Big old fight if you go on yesterday, you know. Yesterday them go for fight right there, so. You see the if you hear when I say big breast, but Kira, remember her name, Kira. That one look like she more peaceable, but you say answer me a while ago. If you and candy mouth go meet, if I say just calm down, man. Me know some young people, young and on a prime and things so take over the world and you know. What can I put say a bit by the way though?
I want one potato put me a bit, man. And in now chop the candy don't come out from man, you know, early me out here, greater coconut and something. You do no open from morning. So in now chop life, that chop life should have come out already.
The people always have build a house, right? More check them for man, nearly knocking over they are going. So more check them, so no deal it, but go on the way already pudding. You know fake by the way?
No.
Because I know some of the country people can do things in some time I can't have nothing. But anyway, after me yard, I'm not a tenant here, you can do experiment. But you shouldn't put it near to the boardhouse. I don't want to come to burn down here. No. Go and bake where you bake. Take up a machete here, man.
Man, you're too mixed up. So have you carry machete?
I feel me, it's enough for you.
Mama, man.
Daddy, you soon done?
Soon done, yes. I want to see. I'll go for one for can you go and watch it for me.
Alright.
You know, so I'm going to start doing
what that you do?
You know, must know see a pudding.
You're aggressive, eh?
Yeah, what me I go do? Go start
so you pack up something funny something.
Shh. And watch me. Watch here and make it burn. Me a come. One funny.
Kira,
Yeah?
you see Rasta man
In the outer gate.
You out there, so?
Yeah, how?
My man in the house, I want him to come out.
Ah, how am I come on?
I don't know. A long time he out there?
Yeah, but me not think him going for now.
I'm backside, that's why I chat about so. How was that? I stand in the room and the smell sitting out there, so how happened?
I potato pull my friend a be.
Your friend? Which one is your friend?
Not the one we not like, Dolly.
A liar, tell me?
A Dolly.
Okay,
she
make
a go
sure.
come. She a come.
By
she
the
gone
way,
to one far.
me go one piece. And I hope you not tell your friend them about my business. Anything me tell you, just skip it, you know?
No, I'm not tell them nothing, man.
Okay. So how long that take for done?
How long will I take for done?
How will you appear up from and you may talk to you know?
Alright then.
How will you get coal from? I hope on my coal you not take and use, you know?
Rasta give me coal, you know?
Rasta give you coal? The same coal when give you?
Greener pastures the year, build her back and go on inside.
Look here. And my coal them when me left right eye outside there. So I open and eat it take up in a girl.
Take up it since I feel. I tell us your Rasta give me coal and you still. Take up it and go on. Take up it pattern.
Now me want them where you fire the pan. You not get this.
This candy, you know, but I want piece.
Piece of what?
This.
Me don't want nothing from no.
You can't bring it out in your house.
How for house? Open me door. Me and your friend or me and no friend?
If you bring it in there.
No, man, make him bring it cool.
If you bring it in there.
Where you go
Put
do?
it on.
One thing make me a put it down.
We buy back your clothes.
And you know make me no want carry go in and they put it down for
When the
two.
rasta gone, we will tell you.
You will tell me? You go tell me?
Yeah.
Make sure you tell me. You see, if you not give me none of the pudding, you will see I will like me I take away from now. The whole I call them a feel me call Mickey.
Miss Candy.
Candy cold. Oh, you look like you have secret for Candy, son.
No secret for your man, I just friendship, you know.
So, me see you do some.
You don't see me do something. It's something where you bake, it cool going on my eye.
Yeah, Candy a friend. When since you Candy a friend?
When night?
Me think I with the uncle friend we have.
Just cool, man. It's something soon done.
It's something so done.
But me, man, missing,
Me not nothing, man.
Every week you talk about party. But we not bring Ashley. Every night she go on a party. For we night tonight.
Yeah, man. You can go party.
You look good, man. You look good. Look good.
Well, look good.
I was my brown girl one day I can get piece of it. Because she love pudding, you know. The brown girl see her pass every day, she love pudding.
Come here and feed your girl. She give me a little cola, I can't talk.
Yo, funny enough, you don't meet that girl there. You not a friend of her, you know.
Stop touch me now.
You know. Never mash it on me, you know. Be careful.
I'm not afraid of mash it.
I'm
going to fire. No man fire pie.
My man no fire no pipe. My man a Christian.
Go on fire, curious.
Alright, it go on good. Out of me just see me and come back, you know, come and say, no, this is thing I can't miss me. But make it cool and we can cut up here, man. Funny cook. I put it that, you know, as long as it cook. Inside that must soft. You see, inside that migla things must soft. Inside of the migla must soft. Or if I cut it, browning that one piece side.
Me a feed you and browning.
Who you can't feed nobody? Put just a taste, appetizer of like dessert and you know get yourself up.
You know, I'll get none of this one, you go on.
My yard. I'm a tenant, I'm the landlord. You know what I mean? My job price I will give you coal. And you go tell me say I can't get none of the pudding. My brown girl love pudding. And she go, me tell her, you know, go and I talk on the phone and I say, girl, I smell pudding, them a big pudding over my yard. And she say, make sure I get peace to me, you know. And I say, alright then. So I go every time I get my pudding, I joke on her run.
When people look up place here, for a price, and you come every day, disrespect people. But you not stuck yourself here, here, Rasta.
But you don't see me dying trial. After I get up this morning, give you coal and everything, pick banana leaf here and everything, and make everything. We call brown and say brown to put no get it, I get none. A joke here, man. Candy! Because that girl now with my dealing. Candy, ask Candy about me. Candy!
Sit down.
You come? Candy!
Yeah.
Push out your head. If you're naked, push out your head.
Awa.
Push out your head.
Awa.
Push out your neck, so.
See there.
Yeah.
Me naked, you can't.
Yeah, that good. We don't ask nothing more than that. Tell a brown girl about me. Send me run the yard.
Where you call me for?
May I ask you a question? Look, young girl, no boy. So anything me say goes. If you don't go my way, everybody have to touch the highway. That's the thing there. So you cook pudding, me want pudding.
Where you come mix me up for in your business? No call me. Because when you're ready, you and them sit down and chat me. Me busy with you and pudding and friend and tenant. Me no, don't call me. And say I sleep, me I sleep. Me naked, lay down in bed, you come call me out.
What you say?
You're deaf.
But I'm for that man.
No. You're mad. You must be mad. No, not a
Lady says she naked.
Liberty come through careless. Anyway, organize up it. So when you put it down, I'm going to give mine out tight. Because I don't know where you go, you know. I don't know where you go. You want to put it to Candy?
Me don't want none.
I want Candy share. The backside, you know. Because you can't, you put it right in front of the woman, do away and give them and I put no. Fair share, more fair share.
Me don't want none.
No, stop nice, man. You try to sabotage me.
Me don't want none. If you want, you can't take it. Remember, give me free. Don't give him none. I'm not okay. Where I say? Can I see him? In my house? Or keep him occupied for me. Make sure he's saying stay in the house. Oh. You fi call me, you know?
Yeah,
Make sure you say call me.
My phone no charge properly, but it's a reach out. Yeah?
Alright. Bye.
Go on and put in your bait there. They got slice now. They got slice of your pudding. But you are going. If I not just the candy my slice, yeah?
Mine pudding, me a can't agree. You better go on, man.
We talk.
I might have called.
Yeah, babes, look how long me I call you. Just pick up your phone now. Babes, please, don't do me this. You know some love you, you know. Dolly, you know some.
Good.
Yo,
Yo,
where them type of wild callaloo you come from?
Don't worry your head, I best callaloo them. Oh, yeah, hide the phone, sir. But you know that, me come on here for. If you come on the grill, you don't sit down here on phone. Sometimes you see in one corner, sit down by yourself, you don't know what you worry about. I'm teach you something, cousins, when you come on the grill, it's either two things. It's either the grill build you or break you. You have to look at work. You can't make money in a nigga, you can't just sit down upon your phone can't give you money unless it's business online you do. And you not do nothing for online. More than in one corner, sit down like, we don't know what you worry about.
It's not even that, you know, but I come here for just cool out. I come here for just cool out and go on easy. You see me? It's not like me I gotta look on work, man. But just I go and cool out, you know, and go on easy myself and go on normal. You see me? But me understand why I say still now. I am a cousin. You see me? But I just say things.
No, listen me now. The reason why I say it, you know, you can't just spend. You have to understand. So I only hope you get the work. That's my main concern because when you come down and me I do spending, one hand can't clap.
Yo, me I have family, you know, I can't deal with me, so. You buy 2 pound of flour, one little they are going like say you're spending world, brother. Stop going some man. Sure. Me just go and cool out, man, and easy myself. Relax, man. Me soon get a job. Find a nice little girl too, you know.
What you gonna say? You know no ambition. You don't get to work yet and you want to find one girl. Teach you something. No matter. You know what?
Boy, you come like a madman. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm a cousin a while ago. But just pick up your phone, Dolly. Stop foolishness, man. I love you, you know.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you can't help me pass them dog them. I want to go to the shop there, but I'm afraid of them dog there right there, so.
Oh, you afraid of dog them? You are going. If me do that favor for you, you know, you owe me one, you know. Come in.
But me just do you one big favor and me did I watch your rasta so that you can come out and miss Candy house.
That's not a favor. You live a yard. Your dog them a come. You see that favor, yeah? This is bigger than that. Hold on, pound. Don't be shy. See that? Come, dog. Big dog passing. See that? Let's go that way, then, man. Go on inside. Don't move. See that? You fit good for my arms and between. See that? Yeah, I can belong there, so. That's how I go on.
See, you make me pass the shop.
You know me, I make you pass the shop. You're comfortable, you pass the shop. I'll go buy what you buy still. Come here, come talk to you. Now wait for you here.
Alright. Serve! We can get one. Cranberry water. Cold. How much for?
time, take your time. I'm gonna drop you now. Ah, thank you. So you say I don't get ready to go still?
No, so me feel go, but me I walk with you.
You walk with me? So tell me something. How will you go later, right?
Me I go to Bourbon Beach, me and my friend here, come?
Yeah, man, I pass through, yeah?
Alright, bye.
Alright, ready now.
See you later.
Alright.
You want drinks? Ashley. You really serious about party?
Of course. What ya?
After the landlord said we don't go nowhere, where you go sleep tonight?
Business about that the big old church out done out body man there. Listen to me, that the man they done for. Film days a party and all of them sitting they done crash. You know about crash, car crash? Him all. Him can't all me up. All you know up. Say you not forward?
No. You have things to do.
When you not have to come?
Company I look. You alone sleep out the door.
Sleep out of which door? Listen to me. Since we come up here, I go up on the beach at a Bourbon. About real top shot niggas.
Anyway, well on pan this, because I know you're running red tonight.
Why you do with that in your pocket?
Now worry yourself.
May I see? I even want this guy, they man, they up this and I get nothing neither. Anyways. Yeah, give me this one. You not forward. You're not forward.
No.
What? You're all my driver, they blow them. May I come?
Bye bye.
Me have my driver and everything.
Bye,
You sad and all and drip like
Don't come
landlord.
back when you win that tonight.
Men, I will then take transportation at night time.
Where you go? No man stopping now, where you go?
Man, me I go party. Boring. Can't stay right as.
So you're a road now. Let me tell you something. Me not tap you now. Go on. But not come back tonight. Because when you're gone, I go lock the grill there. When it get 12 o'clock, if you come back before 12, the grill will be open. You see no lock yet? But when it get 12 o'clock, grill lock. So, if you pass 12 o'clock sleep where you're there, because if you come here, you have to go back. So go on, go there, go on. Where next to them? They don't go to?
They inside. They say they don't come now, they're boring. I just me alone. It's my friend out there today.
Go on, where I go?
Sorry, I can't help me get to look at me. You can't come in.
You can't go and laugh and clean off your teeth. Old people say, who laugh, laugh, laugh best. Alright, go and enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Go on. You guys gonna do and go to? On a peep?
No.
On no one go?
No.
On alright do?
Yeah, man.
On no good food go on the bed, because that's the one that sleep on it tonight. Me nah run me yard like how the island a run. You can't control. So that one they not coming tonight. Any other thing gonna bright. Let her in tonight. Let her in tonight. You let her in? You let her in?
Probably.
Probably? You may probably not know if you stay away when you probably let her in. I go see how she will sleep tonight. Because I don't know how she will let her in a couple nights already, you know. But it gets from bad to worse. Not depend that. Now go sleep right now. I'm not nobody disturb me.
Hey, lucky grill. Man, lucky grill picture, you know?
From morning, I want to chat to you, but I never get the chance. I want to call the phone. I don't feel too good, you know. I don't feel like, say, I can't come here tonight.
Why?
I don't feel good, I know. No,
What happened to you?
I just have one little cold, man. My sinus are bother me from, man.
So you go doctor?
At that, I don't get to go. That's a problem. Here I go. It's like I'm sneeze a while ago. I don't know, I can't come check it tonight. So I gotta just see I can sleep after one, yeah. And then tomorrow, I'm going to go to the doctor first, or go to the pharmacy get some pill, and then come catch a mosquito and a bite too. I'm come check it. Here? So we work it out that way.
So you don't want me to follow you go, doctor?
You want to come?
You mother come with you if you want me to come.
Don't worry about that, man. Alright, tomorrow your family go doctor tomorrow.
You sure you said me? You ramp with me now, because last time you tricked me up about you're sick and you're never sick, you know.
You don't trick none of this, sir.
Might not come, you don't want to come over me here tonight.
I don't want to come sneeze, man. See me I talk about? Go on, me tell you go on. I don't want nothing to come to you.
Babe, let me ask you something. You have another girlfriend?
Another girlfriend? Somebody can have a woman as beautiful as you. Rasta, me say, you know, without Rasta, you can't nice, you know. You never know that.
So you say now give me bun?
Why me I give you bun on Easter?
Alright then, I believe you. Come on. That's more one grown, you know. Me I do something. Come
Come
on.
on, me can't come around. No, if you come around, a problem.
You not come with me?
Alright, you are going. Let's see if the gas station open so I can get one little pill and then me a forward. Yeah?
Alright then.
So take time reach. Call me to reach, yeah?
My credit done.
I send you some credit.
Alright.
That's easy, no, man. Yo.
No.
Wait till we reach over so we do this now.
No, man, no.
No, you can't do it. Yo,
No,
a hot
man,
place to the
no.
home to you. Yo, that's easy, no, man. And that's why me
no.
like come over here so you know, that's easy, no, man.
Come no, no.
Yo, that's easy, no. Yo, B, just easy, no.
No, come now.
Yo, man.
Easy yourself, no make it so. Sure.
You
Just
know-
nice up yourself, man, and stop rough up me. Sure.
This can't go on, this is for later. This is for
Come now.
later.
Come on, go for your back.
Babe, just easy, no, just easy, no. Yo, babes. And I'm mile in this. And you know too. This when you reach over for me lane, you can have any amount of phone you want to have. Any amount. All the phone you want to have in your world, you can have it. Come on.
Alright.
Yo, what going on, sir? Top, man. Top, yes, sir. Yo, what you doing on the lane, yeah? I don't want no strange man on my lane, you know. You don't know a thing already. And you know, you know. Yo, move from yourself, man, and come off my place. Take away yourself and go, sir, man. Go on where you go, man. You stay there, sir. Don't move, you know.
Babe. Later, here.
Later. Go from yourself, man. I saw finger stone. Hey, you hear me? How about this, man? Hey, boy. Go from yourself, man. Yo, you don't know a thing already, man. Me don't bring no man round on the lane here. Especially you can't deal with man what no come from the lane. You understand? You have to deal with a man like me. Pan the lane here. You don't know a thing set already. But you're there with me. Me will service you. You know what I mean? So pan the lane and not bring no man coming here.
Cuz, how are you doing, sir?
I go put some on to be in this and check our party. What you are doing there, sir?
You know, say I walk and I see how the place look. But I'm good, man. Don't worry about me, man. But go on do your thing still. Just see how the place look and see if the place nice. You see me? But go on do your thing, my boss. Yo, I want a girl me I look for name Dolly. You know which Parental she live?
Oh yeah, yo. You know me? Yo, me don't know nobody on the lane bad, man. I ask not about no girl neither. If me look at me a girl creep, I want to you.
Alright, my general. Sorry, my boss. Sorry.
You like sweetie? Hold this and go and go suck it. Yeah, man. Pull it sweetie, man. Yo, what you doing, sir, brother? You have to watch yourself, you know. You know where there? What you doing, sir?
Yo, you know, see, I walk, I look for one girl. But Papa, I'm cousin, I can't even tell him this. Because I don't want him to feel like I'm a girl flow. But, you want to see a nice place?
Yeah, man, a nice place, you know what I mean? Me run here, sir. And the same place I see around, sir. Me run around here, too.
But watch on a big man level. Because we are big man, you know. A country I come from, you know. But I can't even tell Papa this, because I'm a cousin, I don't want him to feel like say, I'm a girl clown, you know. But I want a girl, I look for name Dolly. A pretty girl. I don't know if you know her.
Dolly. I don't know Dolly around here, sir. No Dolly don't live around that place, sir.
She
You
knew,
know what I mean?
man. She knew about a couple of them. Probably one place. She knew, just come down.
You are going. Don't worry about that. You go one party, sitting on the beach. When you go to a party, you go find 50 billion Dolly. Dolly don't so. If a Dolly you want, Dolly don't so. So guess what you have to do? Ready? Fall down on the beach.
Yo, I don't really have no money still, but if I get a piece of money, me see. You see me see if I can come, but I try to find Dolly. You see me? Just if I see you want, she have big mouth and her eyes them pretty.
So what you say, I go? Eh?
Yo, I go from house to house. Please, man, beg as a nigga, don't even tell Papa I say that me I do. Because I don't want him to feel like me I no girl flow, you know, because them man they chat too much, you know. But,
alright, here we go on. You see round there, sir, and round here, sir, and me run round there, sir. But you see up, sir, up and north, you soldier them run round there, sir. I have no control. And you can't call nobody. You understand me I say? So watch yourself. Do your thing, man. But remember, say party I go on, you know. Line up funds and rolling. Yes, sir.
don't even tell Papa I say where that me I do.
What yourself, man? I'm your banger.
Alright.
Now check the girl with sweetie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Yeah.
Good night.
Night.
What if it for now?
You know, so the work you do for your daughter, if you get tonight.
If you get?
Yeah.
So if you congratulate me then if she get F. Cause F mean fine.
No, that mean fail. He never do well.
Did they write fail on the thing?
But if you get F, what that's supposed to mean? A should I get?
What is A?
A mean you do good.
A is not G. When you get G on your work, you do good. You're great. A means you must aim again. Try again.
So, what go on?
What go on, you know? Is it look like you're the teacher and the minister of education and try to mess me up, you know? Because when I go to school, I get a Z some of the time, you know. I'm still comfortable with it, you know.
What does that mean?
The Z mean the end. I don't know. Make that turn. I post my brain, but I don't understand. But I think some of the good is they give me Z. At least it's in the alphabet. Some people don't get nothing, they get 0. But I get Z, that means I'm a part of the something I want for me.
But at least I try still.
Yeah, but what I say do? Where you come from? I see a smile with me like, I know if I also look pan, you know. Remember back?
So what wrong if I come back?
Come
we
back
have a
where?
child together.
Come
we
back.
have a child together. What wrong with that?
They can't. Hey, listen to me. Take your time, go ahead, you know. Because I know you want to come back.
You have woman up here? You have woman up here?
God, see me dying child now. Awa. Remember say I was look like Awa, you want me? Eh? You see that house here? I put grill on it because of you. And I go to the station and take out restraining order. You must send my daughter come down here. Why you never send the daughter come tell me so she get whatever she get? You must not be seen in certain feet or Sunday. You know? You understand? So, I don't understand why you listen for it. But anyway, I get ready to go a party. Talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow, when the next one.
That's all they good for. To go a party.
Yes, and my life, I enjoy it. I enjoy my life. So alright, thank you for coming to me. My daughter get F. She do fine. Me go talk, me text up with the teacher them. Now you don't need to come back. Use your phone and call me. Don't come back to me yard. Later.
Phone now work good.
Phone now work? That's not my business. There's a different man up here yard now, assure. Make him give your phone or whatever. But make it send the data come. Don't come back. They have got a party later. Me not have the time. They got a party later.
Party not do nothing for you.
Okay, what go on?
What go on? Can I do me a favor?
What kind of favor you want?
When you call out Dolly for me.
Dolly?
Yeah, and whisper to him, tell him out here.
Dolly! Dolly! Dolly, oi! Shouldn't you hear me call her?
And no bullshit there, you know. You're the family resident, you know. I am a landlord, I'm a tenant here. You want, who you want?
I want Dolly, I come to see
You
Dolly.
know Dolly?
Of course, I know
Where you know Dolly from?
Yes, sir.
Who's the call Dolly?
None of your business. Dolly, oh! Come here.
Tap night na yan. Can't go to sleep. Tap night. More call Dolly for you. See somebody a call here. I don't know what she want you for.
Come on, girl. Yes, stay support. Come here. Move on! But I talk to you. I'm just opposite.
Beach, you know, beach party.
Daddy. See Papaya.
How was
Kira, Papaya, Kira.
Nice to meet you. I said we greet, we want to greet people.
You must say white people.
You don't put your hand in your front. What are you asking now?
They're white people?
You ready?
Piece of sickness come down rushing on my belly.
So you're sick and today, we call you, you're not sick.
You see? Kira, me don't feel sick from morning.
Oh yeah, your belly did that hurt you.
Yeah, tell you man.
So we know about
So me can't go get figure. So you can't give me a thing with me buy 2 pill and one juice and so.
What you say, you want some money?
Yes man, to buy something.
Alright, this must can buy.
Alright, respect.
So you are going to have our money, so?
No, my friend.
I saw
I'm here
no
to go
money.
buy a pair
Somebody
because
call
she's
you,
sick.
yeah, babes.
Alright, we are going in.
I'm going to call you.
Alright, enjoy.
I don't feel good man.
Alright. Wow.
But how your papa him come boy want carry that party looking like a trash?
Man, if you ever all up and pull down, I don't know what kind of dressing them day. I'm glad she didn't really signal with me and wink him off and pick up for me.
Me nearly bust by you and you hear me ask you, you sick? With me enough self.
Like how we have money though, we can still go to party, you know. Because I want to think I want to go to party is my fear a woman, my name. Like how we have money now, we can still go to party, you know.
That's true. But me not even know what me I go wear.
Where I go wear, look how much clothes out there so to wear. And one thing if you worry about,
still.
and one thing if you worry about how you come back in car for you know, what we going to wear.
But you know hear him say I go to party too. With the whole self, me don't know when not in the yard.
All we have to do if we book him up a party, we hide him. And we just need to reach in before him.
That's true. Come on, now we'll go find, see if we can find something to wear.
Alright.
Yo, bad boy.
What go on?
What happened? You know, say I want a girl named Dolly, me I look for. You know her?
No, sir. The name doesn't sound familiar at all.
So just move come around here, man. About 3 or 4 of them in a one place.
I don't know them.
Yeah, look out for her. She's kind of short, a bow foot. You see me? Yeah, then kind of look a bit big, but if you see her, just...
Yeah, man. Me do that, man.
Yeah, so bless up
Alright.
yourselves,
Yeah,
eh?
man.
you reach to the end of the video, thank you for watching. And remember, if you have not subscribed, subscribe right now and hit that notification bell. And remember, keep on telling a friend to tell a friend about what we're doing over here. We are creating household content we are creating that family can watch, that kids can watch, that the church sister can watch. We are creating those type of content over here because we want to make Jamaica known for creating movies. That's what we're doing. We're trying to build the film industry, and we only can do it with your help. And also, if there are persons out there who feel like they like what we're doing and they want to invest in what we're doing, can reach out to us, man. We can talk some business, all right? And if you want to produce something for your channel, because we know people have YouTube channel and they're not able to create content like make movies for their channel, they can reach out to us, man, and produce something. We'll film it, we'll direct it, probably even come up with the script and just shoot it and send it to you and you post it, all right? So while we continue to do what we do, remember, show support, and if you want to send a donation towards what we're doing, you can find us on Instagram, or you can just click in the About Us and click the email and send us an email. So big up to everyone. Matter of fact, if you have something that you want to promote, if you have a business and you want us to make mention of it at the end of of our video, reach out to us, man, and we can talk business. Big up on yourself, continue to support what we're doing, and just see you on the next upload, all right?